So much. ಎಲ್ಲ fresh matters ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Taking interim order, my lord. My lord, husband has also obtained it.
Wait, sir. One ನಿಮಿಷ. Give all the fresh matters general.
Compounding of offense.
Wait, sir. One ನಿಮಿಷ. Wait, sir.
That's in respect of vacating.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಹೋಗಿ. ಎಸ್ ಹಾ. ಈಗೇನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 2:30 ಬೇಕಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಟುಮಾರೋ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ಇರೋದೇ 2 ದಿನ ಕೊಡಿ. ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೀನಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಣ ಕೊಡಿ. 2:30 ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಿ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ವೆಯ್ಟ್ 2:30 ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕಾ 2:30? ಎಸ್. ಮಂಡೇ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ತಾನೆ. ಮಂಡೇ, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ, ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಯಾವತ್ತಾರ ಸರ್. ನಾಳೆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಏನಕ್ಕಿದೆ? 2:30 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವೈ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್, ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ನ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ? ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ? ಎಸ್. ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತಿದೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So what is the problem? ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ, ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಥ್ರೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 138. ಅರೆಸ್ಟಾ? ಸರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತೆ? ಏನಂತ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಬಿಡಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ನಥಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಥ್ರೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. 138 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಟೂ ತರ್ಟಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. 420 ಈಗೇನು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನ್ ಸರ್? ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಲಿ ಇದಾರ? ವೈ 420 ಆಯ್ತು, ಕೊಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. 2:30 ವೈಟ್. ಅದಾಯ್ತು. ವೆಂಕಟಾಚಲಪತಿ ಇರಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋಗ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ಗೀತಾ ಮಲ್ಹೋತ್ರನ? ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಅಪ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದಟ್ ಗೀತಾ ಮಲ್ಹೋತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? You are the husband. In-laws we will grant, husband I will not grant. Tomorrow. ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಅಪ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಪೋಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಏನ್ ಲೇದು. ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಪೋಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ? ಎಸ್. ಕೊಡಿ. 2:30. Yes.
Your Honor, have granted an interim stay. Now, predicate offense B report has been accepted. It may be taken.
Oh, you won over the complainant, is it? B report accepted.
Accepted.
So you won over the complainant.
My lords, on merits it's accepted.
On merits, sir. All right, we'll see. Give it. Fresh matter, alva?
Pending matter means there's an interim order not to take courtship action.
Next week kodi, tondre illa.
We have taken up for disposal matters.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
Your Lordship,
Connected matters.
without the registration of an FIR, I have been summoned by the CCD on everyday basis.
Every day?
PCR has been filed, my lord. 2:30, my lord.
Give it.
Your Lordship, on
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು
submission.
ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
My lord,
There's
for,
no FIR registered.
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಎಸ್.
my lord, without the preliminary inquiry, the FIR is registered against the
ಏನು?
petitioners. The
ಏನು?
thing is, my lord,
Offense ಏನು?
offense, my lord, 232 of BNS. I am attempting a threat to the prosecution witness. My lord, the police in its independent inquiry, without taking any thing from
Monday
the
or Tuesday.
my lord, I request for 2:30.
ಏನು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ?
Back in 2017, my lord.
Sorry?
Being The complaint was terminated by the petitioner's bank 2017, my lords. Being acted to the same in 2019, 2 civil cases were filed, my lords.
ಈಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
My lord, after a lapse of 9 years, a PCR was filed and an FIR was just to be filed, my lords. The petitioners are the residents of Hyderabad, my lords, are senior directors in respondent bank, petitioner's bank, my lords. Now on a daily basis, they are being summoned, my lords, and being
ಡೈಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಯಾರು ಸರ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಕರೀತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮ್ನ?
my lords, respondent police, my lords.
ಏನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಕೊಡಿ.
They're constantly being
ಮಂಡೇ ಆರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ.
Yes.
Pending matter, my lord. My lord.
Pending matter ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟ್ರಿಯಂ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ my lords, you said that
Stay
you will
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
take stay ಇಲ್ಲ Wednesday ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ my lord.
ಇವತ್ತು ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆಗೆ I'm requesting you to take it up for tomorrow.
ನೋ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ನಾಳೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
498A, sir, in-laws have been implicated and IA is pending.
ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
Fresh matter.
ಇನ್ಲಾಸಿಗೂ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನೇ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ?
No, no.
ಮುಂಚೆ ಆಗಿರೋದ? ಹಾ ಕೊಡಿ ನಾಳೆ.
Much obliged, my lord.
ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್. ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕೊಡಿ. ಟುಮಾರೋ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ.
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ ನೋ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ FIR ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
My lord, it's a fresh matter, my lord. 109 has been slapped. I was discharging duty in Malamadeshwara Betta. Subsequent,
Attempt to murder.
Mob has attacked me. I've been admitted in the hospital. There are 2 petitioners. Now I'm apprehending arrest, my lord. The incident has
2:30. 2:30.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಈಗ?
ಇದು 498A ಮೇಲೆ.
ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ? Why I should hear you wait? Yes. Settlement memos ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Don't wait for settlement memos, please give. Yes.
ಮೇಲೆ 498A ಮೇಲೆ.
ಇವು ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಇದೆಯೇನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು?
ಬೇರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್.
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮೆಮೊನ ನಿಮ್ದೇನಾ?
ನಂದೇ.
ಒಂದ್ ಸಾಕು ಕೊಡಿ. ಕೊಡಿ ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ. Wait. ಬಡ್ಸಾಕ್ ನಾ ಕೊಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಚಾನ್ಸ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚ್. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸರ್. ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚ್. ಬಡ್ಸಾಕ್ ನಾ ಕೊಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ.
Your lordships.
ಯಾವತ್ತಿದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್? ಕೊಡಿ ಮಂಡೇ ಹಾಕಿ.
Your lordships.
Tuesday.
Your lordships is dog bite case 280
You
under
can't be in a no discipline. Wait.
My lord, offense under section 420, my lord, the police.
Sorry?
Offense under section 420, it's a fresh matter, my lord, the police have been.
Pending of fresh matter.
It's a fresh matter, my lord, and it was supposed to be listed. What is this? This is civil in nature, my lord, this is civil.
Right, tomorrow.
My lord, section 279 and 353 of IPC, my lord, it's for the committal for Thursday, my lord.
Tomorrow.
Your lordships, under section 289, your lordships, alleged offense is dog bite matter. I had moved it last week, you had directed us to move it again this week, lord.
Tomorrow.
Your lordship, the offense is section 3 of the Prevention of Disfigurement Act, your lordship. The respondent police has been harassing the petitioner, your lordship.
Harassing is not a ground matter.
Wherein the warrant is also.
Fresh matter.
Please, your lordship.
Warrant ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. 2:30.
2:30.
Pending matter?
Fresh matter, your lordship.
2:30.
Trial court is ordered for attachment of the property of the surety.
ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ?
ನಾಳೆ.
ನಾಳೆ ಯಾಕೆ?
Monday 24th trial court ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
When we take it day after tomorrow. 20th.
Please.
My lord, it is a fresh matter. In the trial court, the petitioner has filed a discharge.
FR number ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ madam. Don't give FR number memos at all. Go and comply.
Well, the petitioner has filed a discharge application, madam. Without considering that discharge application, they have been ordered to pass it.
When?
My lord, in the last week, we have filed a.
Anyway, give it.
My lord,
482
it's supposed to be listed in the
disposal
Monday.
Wait. Why in a hurry?
My lord, it has to be supposed to list in the Monday yesterday, but it is not listed. I request tomorrow.
ಅದ್ ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Your lord, is tomorrow.
Yes.
One matter, pending matter. It was posted on.
Stay ಇದೆಯಾ? Stay ಇದೆಯಾ? Stay ಇದೆಯಾ? 27 ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. Wait, ಯಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೌರವ್, why did you come this side? Go that side.
Sorry for the disturbance.
Parties ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ.
Come this side. ನಿಮ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
husband has obtained.
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಎಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Disposal matter.
ಬೇರೆ ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ಯಾವ್ದಾಗತ್ತ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ
482,
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
your lordship.
Withdrawal of.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Your lordship.
ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದ್ ಕೊಡಿ, 29ಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಪ್
Withdrawal matter.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
My lord, 482.
Withdrawal.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು ಸರ್?
ನಾಳೆಗೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
Withdrawal.
ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ.
ಬರೀ.
Blood.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಮೆಮೊನು ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ರಾಸಿಟಿ 230. Transferred where? After the commencement of trial. Tomorrow. Who are you, sir? Son of the petitioner. Kodi. Monday, Tuesday. Yes. Hey. Why? 230. Tomorrow. Atrocity ಇದ್ರೆ tomorrow. Admission matter disposal ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಕೊಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಮಂಡೇ ಆರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ. ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಕೊಡಿ, ಯಾವತ್ತಿದೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ. ಏನ್ 230 ಯಾಕೆ? IP ಚಾರ್ಜಾ? ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಕ್ಕೆ. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಸೋ ವಾಟ್ ಸರ್? ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದನ್ನ. IPO ಹಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ JCL ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ತಾನೆ? ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
No stay matter.
Why is the lady standing there? Come this side. Yes. Kodi sir, Monday or Tuesday it will come. You're already on bail, right? You're not on bail. Why? Only FIR. They've been harassed. Bear the harassment. Yes. No, Monday or Tuesday, nothing. Yes. Kodi sir. ನೀವ್ಯಾರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ? ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ ಕೊಡಿ. ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ. ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? 230 tomorrow. Monday or Tuesday give it. Fresh matters ಕೊಡಿ. File was misplaced. ನಾಳೆ give it. No stay against the in-laws. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಕೊಡಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಎಸ್, ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. Tomorrow. Yes. But tomorrow please don't ask disposals in any case till the roster is over now. Yes. 138. So what? Oh seriously, why sir? 230 ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, 230 ಬರ್ಲಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ. Give it sir. Yes, we'll see. Give it Monday or Tuesday. Very good sir, let it cover for some more time. Yes. Monday. No sir, Monday. Order sheet ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸರ್? ಕೊಡಿ. Why tomorrow? 27th ತಾನೆ? 25th ಹಾಕಿ.
No stay matter.
No stay.
NBW issued please.
ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್. ನಾಳೆ Monday or Tuesday. Atrocity tomorrow. Yes, give it.
Send off the list, my lord.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Fresh matter, my lord. There is a warrant that is issued at 230.
Yes.
230.
Special court matter, fresh matter.
Special court next week. ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ.
Atrocity
28th.
Fresh atrocities matter.
Fresh atrocity. What is it? Old atrocity?
Fresh matter.
Atrocity ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Why fresh?
Tomorrow.
Yes, Praveen Gowda.
End of the list, my lord. It's a civil litigation where though I applied for the bail, they're not filing any objections.
ಹಂಗ ನಾನು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the Kudur police station now it has been the jurisdiction has been shifted to Nelmangla as per the delimitation. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. That's how they
ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇ ವೆಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ ಕೊಡಿ. ಕೊಡಿ ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ.
Lordship, it's a 2025.
I have only 10 days left, sir. Yes.
It is 2025 matter for the wife.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
And for
ಕೊಡಿ. ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 29th ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Your Lordship.
My lords,
ಅದು
respondent police is harassing the petitioner.
vacating stay, my lord.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
230.
I don't know I can take or not. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
It's a land.
Lordship, it's a 2025 matter.
230.
Fresh matter.
ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ?
Pending matter.
ಪ್ಲೀ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಟುಮಾರೋ.
My lords, fresh matter.
It should be listed. It can't be listed.
Pending matters, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ
It's
ಎಲ್ಲ.
a pending matter.
Disposal.
The
Your
in-laws have
Lordship.
obtained.
My lord.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Disposal.
Your Lordship, it's a matter where the in-laws have taken a stay by expressing and misrepresenting facts. before
You're the complainant.
Yeah, and for the wife, Your Lordship, from 2025, they have obtained a stay by not producing false documents to get a stay by saying they have not lived under the same roof. They are living and they're still continuing to harass the respondent.
ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಕೊಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.
The disposal matter, my lord.
498.
Give it.
Disposal matter.
Dispose matter.
My
Why are you
lord,
moving?
the CBI, it's a CBI matter. Closure report's been filed and it's been taken on record before the special court. My lord, will withdraw the petition, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದು ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿ.
498. Tomorrow, my lord,
ಆಯ್ತು, ಟುಮಾರೋ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿ.
498, my lords.
498 ಅಂತ.
498.
ಹಾ, ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
Fresh matter, your lordship, is a
So,
dog.
ಇದು old
Monday
matter
or Tuesday
311
give it.
application.
Monday,
ಮೇಲೆ
your
stay ಇದೆ,
lordship.
so-
ಮಂಡೇ ಆರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್.
My lords, it's a 7A matter, my lords. The
ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ
7A matter, my lords.
7
It has been-
27th ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್.
My lords, there is no stay in this case, my lords.
ಅದು
It's a 4
27th.
times.
ಯಾವ
four-
ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾನು?
My lords, 4 times the trap
No,
has
no,
been
give it.
failed, my lords.
ಫೇಲ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್?
Yes, my lords.
Give
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
it.
311 application ಮೇಲೆ stay
27th.
ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದು. One year.
ನೀವು ಯಾರು?
Pending matter.
14%?
7A.
14%, my lords.
Yeah, why? What is the matter?
PTCL matter.
PTCL. What is PTCL?
My lords, I was the counsel, non-counsel, my client, she has harassed me. In
Client has
public,
harassed you?
Yes, my lords.
Why? Why?
My lords, because she came to know that I belongs to SC community.
Oh,
She
that's.
was very cordial with me.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ
Later on,
ಏನ
she has
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್
harassed
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ
me.
ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ.
There is a stay, my lords, so I want to vacate the stay.
ಓ, ಅಟ್ರಾಸಿಟಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದು, ಹೌದು.
ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಈಗ
ಹೌದು, my
ಕೊಡಿ.
lords. My lords,
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇದು ಸರಿ.
second time move ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀನಿ, my lords,
We'll
ಬರ್ತಾ
see
ಇಲ್ಲ.
next week ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Please, my
Next
lords.
week ಅಲ್ಲಿ. No, please
No, my
jurisdiction.
lords, it is
No
not-
stay.
Next week.
Pending matter.
311 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
My
311
lords,
application.
wrong exhibits have been marked, my lords.
Atrocity Act, my lord.
Tomorrow.
My lords, the exhibits have been marked against the BSA Act, my lords. For that, order has been challenged.
Tomorrow, Monday or
Mon-
Tuesday, give it.
Monday, my lords.
ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಮಂಡೇ ಆರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು, ಇವತ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮರಳಿ ಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಲಾರಿಗಳು ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೂ
ಲಾರಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಕೆಲಸಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ 3 ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ನವರು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು because
ಆಯ್ತು,
of the
ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
kindly 230 ಮೇಲಾಡ್
No, 230.
ಫೈಲ್ is in board branch ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Tomorrow.
230 ಮೇಲಾಡ್
ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು, 230 ಕೊಡಿ.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
No stay, pending matter.
ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್,
ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್,
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದು 311 application ಮೇಲೆ stay ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ 138 act ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಇವಾಗಲಿಗೆ 4 ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಹಂಗಾರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೆಮೊ. ಒಂದು 10 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Matter pertaining to disproportionate assets, my lords. Pending matter.
28,
Similar
give us
matters are
28. Yes.
My lord, section 85 for 230. There's an urgency, I have to travel abroad, my lord, 292.
230. Yes.
My lord, section 85 you
Given
in
the
law.
date for today, my lords. for
Which
first
one?
day. Criminal petition.
Criminal petition?
4844 of 26. Fresh matters, my lords.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ. Yes.
ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 2:30, my lords. Supposed to be listed, my lords, today.
It's my client, my lords.
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲೋಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರಿ?
My lords.
ಇವಾಗ 14%. What is this?
My matter it is 14%, my lords.
Don't do
This is
these
the-
dual roles in the matters. Memo move ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ.
No, my lords.
Yes, ಕೊಡಿ.
I am compelled to do it. Kindly excuse me, my lords.
My lord,
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
section
Fresh
85.
matter.
Kindly for tomorrow, my lords.
Fresh matter.
ಇಲ್ಲ, my lords. Old matters.
Pending.
Vacating stay, my lords.
We'll
406,
we'll see. Yes.
Section 85 in laws.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದು old matter
Fresh
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
matter.
Fresh matter.
Old matter, Swami, ಇದು please.
ಮಂಡೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಹಾ, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಮೋ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Fresh matter, my lord. Poxo filed against a senior citizen, my lord.
ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
He is a threat of arrest is there, my lord.
230.
My lord, respondent police is harassing the petitioner, your lordship. It's a 427 and 304 IPC matter. Fresh matter, your lordship. And it's a dispute between landlord and
ಮಂಡೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ?
my lord. End of the list.
ಇವತ್ತೇ ಬೇಕು.
Fresh matter.
ಆಯ್ತು 230. ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್ 230ಗೆ?
ಇವತ್ತು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
20.
ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್
ಇವತ್ತಾ? 15.
ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು?
ಇವತ್ತು ಡೇಟ್
ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಡೇಟ್?
This court has given the date to
ಮೆಮೋ ಮೇಲ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು.
At listed today my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. half an hour. Yes.
This one, fresh matter, still number 1.
Petitioner, your lordship, there is
Muzaffar Ahmad.
Yes. One office objection need to comply.
If there is no office objection, come on merits.
Your lordship, short date may be
No
given
accommodation.
for arguments, your lordship.
No accommodation at all. The petitioner is accused number 4 is alleged of the offences punishable under section 406 and 420 of the IPC. A perusal at the summary of the charge sheet would not indicate any of the offences, any of the ingredients of the offences so laid against the petitioner, apart from the fact that the charge sheet for both 406 and 420 could not have been laid against the petitioner, accused number 4. Therefore, there shall be accommodation back. What? Yes.
Affidavit need to be filed, your lordship.
Office objection ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Yes. Next.
Number 2.
In the meantime.
I'm for the petitioner in this case, my lord.
Number 3.
Meantime.
Number 4.
4 notice.
My lord.
Ravindranath Kamath.
Please.
Notice. Yes.
Please.
1 HCGP to emergent notice.
Number 5.
Petitioner in this case, the thing is, I was
DV Act, sir.
DV Act, my lord. Yes, my lords. I was taken to judicial custody for 31 days.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ sir.
My lords, after that, my lords, I'm ready to settle the matter. They are come again and again issuing the warrant, my lords. What they have done, I have a particular property situated. I want to sell the property.
ಅದು ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
What they want, only she wants. What I'm telling, will take 3 shares, one for me, one for her, and one for the child. But what she is telling is she wants the complete share, my lords.
So you get the wife and come will.
Yes, my lords. Till then, meantime, because warrant has been issued. Yesterday, I paid 68,000 for the school
For what
fees.
warrant?
Even after paying 68,000 for the
Suspend the
school
warrant,
fees.
is it?
Lords, till then, my lords, if she comes before this court, it may be settled, my lords. That's.
The learned counsel with the petitioner to serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings. Warrant allegedly hanging on the head of the petitioner shall remain state till the next date. It is made clear that the concerned court shall not precipitate the matter by issuing frequent warrants against the petitioner till the next date of hearing. As the learned counsel of the petitioner submits that the issue hangs upon a residential place where settlement can arrive at. They list the matter on 28th.
Great.
ಯಾಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತನಾ? ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Till number 6.
1 HCGP to emergent notice.
7.
Ponzi scheme.
I myself not is a victim.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಮೇಲೆ. Yes.
The charge sheet is filed. Any day, my lord, summons could be issued. And I have suffered, my lord, loss of not about 15 crores. My lord, by believing me, my lord, he invested. And my lord,
that's the problem.
My lord, that's not the problem. He has received, my lord, more than the money, my lord, he has invested. That is why, upon my complaint, my lord, his account came to be freezed. That is the only thing.
We'll see.
Because his
Yes.
account got freezed, my lord, he has
No
filed.
problem. Yes. Next.
Some date, my lord, at least.
Emergent notice. September kodla? 8th September. Yes. Returnable by 8th September. Yes. Next.
7.
My lords, the allegation is against the son, my lords.
Notice. 1 HCGP to emergent notice.
And my lords, the parents have been involved in this thing, my lords. Offenses on this 316 and 318, breach of trust and this thing, my lords. They were never the employees of any particular this thing, my lords. And allegation is only against the son, my lords.
We'll see. Let it come back.
My lords, day after tomorrow is the matter, my lords.
Let it be, sir. Yes, one HCGB to emergent notice.
Number 8.
Mustafa, own certificate.
In favor of 59 and 60, Your Lordship.
What is that?
Simple and.
Simple.
Yes.
Cheh.
No internal interference.
In the meantime, yes. Petitioner is accused number 4, finding no allegation or overattack against the petitioner for it to become an offence under section 118, apart from the fact that the wound certificate depicts only injuries being simple in nature, there shall be an interim order of stay. Yes. Meantime, Jagan, meantime, yes.
10.
The petitioner.
This is a civil dispute which
Oh,
has
correct.
been given.
Yes. Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
Pray for a stay also. in this
I won't
proceeding.
grant. Yes. What's the matter?
The matter is, there is, sale agreement was there and the
Agreement.
petitioner's
You
father
are,
was put into
you are
the
accused
possession.
number 3.
Accused number
Correct.
3, son
The
of
pe-
petitioner number 1.
Wait, madam. The petitioner accused number 3 is before the court calling in question so and so. A perusal at the complaint or the charge sheet agidiyalla?
Charge sheet agide.
Summary of the charge sheet would not indicate any offence against the accused number 3, the present petitioner, while the allegations galore against accused number 1 and 2. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings qua the accused number 3 only.
Obliged.
Yes.
7.
In the meantime,
12.
settlement agidya? Settlement.
She is also filed
Ah.
and she has also executed the sale deed in my favor.
Ah.
She filed the affidavit before the police to close the matter.
Now,
After that,
what happened now?
now, my lord, the proceedings are pending. That's why I come before
In
this
the
honor.
meantime, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner takes his court through the documents appended to the petition to demonstrate that the parties to the list have settled the dispute, and notwithstanding the settlement, the proceedings are being continued at the behest of the complainant. Therefore, there shall be.
Stay may be there.
13.
Adhe kottidi sir. 91 application.
91 application. Well,
Petitioner to serve on the counsel who represents the.
Matter is posted for argument.
If you wait, yes, the counsel for the petitioner to serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings and file an acknowledgement by 24th, list the matter on 27th in the fresh matters list. Further proceedings before the concerned court shall remain stayed till the next date. Yes.
14.
The petitioner is respondent number 2 in the proceedings instituted by the wife under the Domestic Violence Act, finding no ingredients of any of the violence that is alleged, which is all against accused number 1, respondent number 1, the husband. There shall be an interim order of stay qua the petitioner respondent number 2 before the concerned court. Next.
Much obliged.
15.
So I appear for the petitioner.
The petitioner is before the court calling in question registration of a crime and crime number so and charge sheet agilala?
Charge sheet agide.
Crime number so and so. The complaint itself indicates that an incident of 2020 is sought to be projected to become a crime in the year 2026. The complaint is full of embellishments due to the said delay. In the light of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Chanchalapati Das versus State of West Bengal 2023 SSC online SC page 650, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, further investigation qua the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Next.
16.
No allegation against the accused, my lords. Accused number 1. Kindly have a look at page number 22.
Page 22, sir.
Page 22, my lords.
Yes, sir.
I'm at page 22.
We are on the same page.
We are on the same page, my lords.
Yes, sir.
Lords, ಆರೋಪಿ ಒಂದರವರು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಒಂದರವರ ಬಳಿ ಬಂದು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಸೋ ನೀನು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇಟ್ಟು ಮಾತನಾಡು ಎಂದು ಅವ್ಯಾಜ ಶಬ್ದದಿಂದ ಬೈದಿದ್ದರು. ಆಗ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 2, 3, 4. Lords, the assault.
Heard the learned senior counsel, Ravi Shankar appearing for the petitioner. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice in the meantime.
Grateful, lords.
We'll be on the same page.
Yes.
Yes.
17.
Civil
In the
dispute.
meantime, 329(3).
Ashte. Mischief.
447 is essentially a civil dispute projected to become a crime in every case. Can't help. Yes.
Entire principal amount.
Claim for interest in
amount is
emergent notice to the respondent in the meantime. Next.
Great.
Split to 29th. Urgency unta.
Urgency.
29th will dispose it. Yes.
20.
In the meantime.
21.
21. Huh?
NDP.
for
20
petitioner.
states, 21.
NDPS, petitioner, my lords.
Hmm.
Civil dispute given
No,
criminal.
yes. 20 stay ಇಲ್ವಾ?
NDPS.
NDPS ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮೋಹನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್
Number 20.
NDPS ಅದು ಅದಂಗ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಯ್ತು ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ತಾಳಿ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
Petition number 3 ಬಂದಿ.
A3, my lordship.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮೇಡಮ್. How did I miss it?
Petition number 3 is arraigned, accused number 3, your lord. No contraband has been seized from the accused number 3, your lord.
ಯಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. List the matter tomorrow in the fresh matters list. ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Yes.
21.
Hearing for petition.
One HCGP to emergent notice.
22.
302.
212, my lord.
212.
249.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ A7.
Yes, sir.
Correct. But main offense is 103(1).
No, my lord, not against me. I was not. If your lordship.
One HCGP to emergent notice.
Please.
23.
Yes. Meantime.
24.
Madam, ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
23.
Stayed, yes.
24.
Okay, petitioner case.
25.
306, 25.
25, my lord, of the petitioner in this case, my lord. The death looked suspicious, my lord. The death notes were not recovered from the position of the
No,
deceased.
we'll see. We have to see the investigation. Still there the crime
Charge
stage.
sheet is filed, my lord. Charge sheet is filed.
ಹೌದಾ?
Please. Now the stage has been set out for framing of charges before the trial court. My lord, he was running the chit fund business, and also, my lord, the petitioners have been invested the amounts in the company run by the deceased, my lord. He has cheated to around 250 to 300 people.
Who?
The deceased, my lord.
Deceased.
This is petitioners are all the investors in the company run by the deceased. Without repaying the amount, my lord, he has committed suicide by consuming poison is the allegation, my lord. No poison bottle has been recovered.
20 accused.
20 accused there. They're all the investors.
Yes.
The records, my lords.
Yeah, charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ records. The petitioners are said to be the investors in a particular company.
Online trading company, my lord.
Online trading company floated by the complainant. The petitioners are
deceased.
Sorry, online company floated by the husband of the complainant, now deceased. On when the time came to return the amounts to these petitioners and several investors, it transpires that the petitioner, this husband of the complainant consumes poison and dies. The acts of abetment is now fallen on all these victims who have invested the amount, invested their amounts and lost the money with the company floated by the husband of the complainant. The permitting further proceedings on this score without there being any ingredient of instigation, goading or proximity to the death of the husband of the complainant for the acts of the present petitioners. It would become an abuse of the process of the law and run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Yadavinder Singh Yadav, so and so. 2025 SSC online SC page 2332. In that light, no date till the next date of hearing. Date next.
26.
26, my lords. FIR is challenged, charge sheet is filed, my lords. CC.
Boundary dispute.
Charge sheet challenge ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. But charge sheet challenge ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you move it at 2:30, I'll take it someday.
Tomorrow, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ರಿಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ಟು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಇಟ್. CC ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು?
CC, my lords, of 382726.
ಎಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
27.
ಅಂದರ್ ಬಾರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ಡ್.
58.
ಮಹೇಶ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ನಂಬರ್
Number, my lords, 3421 of 2020.
ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ along with so and so
3125
same
of
order.
2026. Same order.
Yes, next.
9.
132. ಯಾಕೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? ಏನ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರು
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು FIR
ಯಾವ ಸೀಮೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ?
Another FIR was registered, my lords.
In the meantime, yes, next.
Please.
30.
Question in this case, 118 sub class 2.
Own certificate.
ಆಗಿದೆ 43 your lords, simple in nature your lords.
Previous ಯಾವ್ದಿದು? Previous ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ 43.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು? ಹರೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಇದು ಉಂಡಿದೆ ವುಡನ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್.
Kindly see the party
No,
3, your
sir.
lordship.
Yes, nothing.
Simple in nature.
One HCGP to emergent notice.
Kindly see the party 3, your lordship. Adರಲ್ಲಿ simple in
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
nature.
ನಾಗೇಶ್ವರಪ್ಪ grievous ಇದೆಯಾ?
Grievous injuries.
Yes, sir. Nothing.
Certificate ಹಾಕಿ sir.
No, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ certificate ಹಾಕಿ.
Wooden club recovered. Yes,
ಅಲ್ಲ
next.
simple in nature ಅಂತ certificate.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes, yes.
Page 26.
One HCGP to emergent notice. Next. Under bar disposed. Next.
32.
The main Prabhu Swami.
138. Already.
Emergent notice to the respondent petitioner to serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings in the meantime. Yes, next. Vinod Kumar.
3 and 4 already stay ಆಗಿದೆ.
Number ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಎಸ್.
34.
33 own certificate ಇದೆ.
My lord, ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yeah,
3
no.
days after I lodged complaint, I was admitted in the hospital. From hospital, the police recorded my statement and lodged it. After 3 days, as a counter blast, my lord, he lodged a false complaint, my lord. Lordship,
Why
kindly
your
see-
complaint is true na?
True, my lord, because I am the.
We'll see.
I am in
We'll
possession of
consider
the.
true or false.
My lord, lordship, kindly see page number 34, my lord. The lordship, kindly see page number 34. I am in possession of the Kumki land allotted to me. I am an agriculturist. Only the respondent number 2, he has purchased 15 cents of land from me. He is not entitled
Records
for
in-
the Kumki land, my lord. May I
Records-
submit?
records.
He is not entitled for the.
Monday fresh
My lord,
matters.
this is the issue
Monday
regarding.
fresh matters.
Please, much obliged.
We have learned HCGP to secure and place the records.
It's just a counter blast, my lord, against my complaint, my lord.
34.
Snatching.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ 308 what ಇದೆ they have not snatched my lord, they voluntarily offered the
ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಕೊಟ್ರ ಸರ್ ಚೈನ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ herself.
yes, sir.
Worship my lord, she has donated my lord.
ಯಾರು ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಚೈನ್ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಚರ್ ಗೆ?
Along with cash my lord. It's not a snatch. Later my lord, cash it is paid.
Taken jewels.
Section was changed for cheating. It was my lord, they have arrested my lord as per the warrant statement. My lord, it was returned, it was released in favor of the complainant itself. My lord.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, that doesn't take away the crime, sir.
No, my lord, yes, voluntarily they have given law for my lord. For the donation my lord, for the name of
Donation na?
her statement or complaint stated herself my lord. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ she has narrated complaint my lord, same day she was
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. You take chance on 8th September. Yes, list the matter on 8th September.
Please.
35.
Marriage gone wrong.
Please, madam.
The
Mother, complaint filed by the mother of the girl.
the petitioner is before the court calling in question registration of a crime in crime number so and so. The petitioner and the daughter of the complainant meet and the talks of marriage spring between the two. In exchange, at that point in time, it transpires that about 5 lakhs was exchanged for marriage expenses between the two. The differences crop up between the boy and the girl, and the marriage does not take place. The return of the money is now projected to become a crime. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of all further investigation by the petitioner till the next date of hearing.
Grateful.
36.
Initially NCR ಮೇಲೆ FIR ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Small quarrel between the
118, sir.
118 subsequently in the charge sheet in the NCR, in the beginning complaint, there is no such material. NCR.
In the
Non-cognizable cases after permission of the magistrate.
In the meantime, stayed. Next.
37.
Petitioner, my lord.
37 millets.
In this matter, my lord.
The
Can you see the
petitioner
page number
millets
42?
accusing millet taking the millets religious millets.
Page number 42, my lord. Complaint itself. He has stated
Man
that.
millets involved in 35 cases.
Learned HCGP to secure the records and place it before the court on the next date, list on 24th.
Please.
Fresh matters.
38.
OS number.
484 of 24.
Same, Jay bhai. OS number. Yes. Next.
39.
The petitioners in this matter.
Motor vehicle.
Motor vehicle.
You are the driver.
Yes, madam.
Oh. One HCGP to emergent note.
Lord's taking the advantage of my unconsciousness. Even I have given a
Unconscious
representation.
yakadri?
I was in my right
Yakadri?
way, my lords.
Huh?
I was in my right way.
Oh, yes, yes.
It was the rash and negligent driving. from
One
the
HC,
others.
no, these are all disputed questions of fact which has to be thrashed out there only anyway.
That's in fact, I've
One
given my
HCGP to
representative.
emergent notice pendency of this petition will not come in the way of further proceedings before the concerned court. Yes, next.
40.
Latif, covered, page.
Number 102.
Page?
102,
Same
10.
order. Next, please.
41.
Sunil Kumar, 80 and 85.
Like kind of page number 50, my lord. Dying declaration.
No way.
A dying declaration. There is no allegation, my lord.
Ah,
Like kind of page
No,
number 50,
no.
my lord. 50. There is no allegation. Charge sheet, there is no allegation.
Saye parallel.
But at
No, no.
that
Yes,
time she was
Nagesharappa?
not in the place at all.
304B, dowry death, sir.
But there is no allegation in the spirit of
No,
David.
no.
Kind of page 50, my lord. The 50 clear ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. Dying declaration ಇದೆ.
ನೋಡಿದೆ.
She made allegation against her husband only.
ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. One, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ notice ಮಾತ್ರ. One HCGP to emergent notice. Next.
Date be fixed.
ಬೇಕಾ?
Date be fixed.
ಬೇಕಾ?
I'll put the interest.
9th September. Yes. Returnable by 9th September. Yes.
42.
So petitioner, my lord.
A1 no stay, 2 to 5, 85.
Page number 33, my lord.
Yes.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಅಬ್ಯಾಂಡೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ
Abandoned?
ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Wife abandoned the husband?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್
Abandoned the wife.
ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Why?
ಪೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್
First ಆದ್ರ?
ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳೋದು.
Complaint.
After exhausting my financial resources, my husband abandoned me completely. He stopped visiting me from May 2024, blocked my phone number as well as my father's phone number. He refused to maintain any relationship communication with me. ಇವ್ರು ಮನೆ ಮಾರ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ತರ ಅವರು ಡೈವರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ನಂಬರ್ 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Main time. Yes.
Obliged.
Next. Axis Bank dispo. ಸರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
18 CC, my lord. Seeking the speedy disposal within 3 months, my lord.
11.
Yes, my lord.
ಯಾವುದು? 44. ಬರೀ ಸ್ಪೀಡಿ ಸಾಕಾ?
Yes, my lord.
ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷ?
Already 313 statement 2014 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. 2024.
Petitioner is before the court seeking the following prayer. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the issue is of the year 2017 and the concerned court has adjourned the matter on several occasions. The recording of the 313 statement is already over long ago. Notwithstanding the same, the court is not proceeding with the matter despite it being 8 years old. In Maldralla tane?
ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
8 years old. In that light, I deem it appropriate to direct the concerned court to conclude the proceedings with an outer limit of 8 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of this order, if not earlier. Yes, next.
45.
This is also similar, my lord. 498 case, sir.
Idu speedy disposal, same order.
Yes, my lord.
46.
Lord, this is a third matter. On 5/8/2026 in writ petition 22324 of 2026, same parties are same, transaction is same.
ಅದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
Just
ಕೊಡಿ,
check the number is different.
ಕೊಡಿ. Same disposed, ನಾನು dispose ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Yes.
47.
47 for the petitioner, my lord. Petition number 1 is the husband, my lord. 2 and 3 are the parents, my lord, and sisters, my lord. 3, 4 and 5, my lord. This is the second complaint FIR, my lord.
But 2 and 3 ಮೇಲೆ allegations ಇದೆ.
My lord, kindly peruse to the page 58, my lord. The wife, my lord, ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಬಗೆಹರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಅದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ.
That 58 is the
No, not 58.
given by the wife, my
Come
lord.
to page 30, sir.
Please, my lord. Gone through, my lord.
Page 30. 4 and 5 ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, I will grant, not a problem.
But my lord,
So
this
they are not
all
even
this,
together.
My lord, in page 50, my lord, the first complaint, my lord, runs 6 pages, my lord, of the enter the same charge sheet allegations, my lord, that she has withdrawn, my lord. Page 50 may kindly be perused, my lord. That is the, just after 13 days, second day.
No, that's only, it did not result in an FIR only, sir. Yes.
My lord, on the parents, my lord, also.
One HCGP2 emergent notice, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, accused number 4 and 5. Insofar as 1, 2 and 3, the same would be considered on the appearance of the wife. One HCGP2 emergent notice, returnable date ಬೇಕಾ?
Lord, at least on the parents, my lord, 2 and 3.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ parents ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಾನು straight away ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Yes, next.
48.
Civil dispute,
Main time, yes.
49.
406, 420, main time, next.
50.
My honors, in this matter, complaint was having no locus standi, my lords.
Why, sir?
Because he is not an original owner of this land, my lords.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ?
Even going by the charge sheet filed by the police, my lords,
Ah.
at page number 82, my lords, the RTC and all shows in the name of some other party, my lords, and there is a OS matter also pending, my lords.
Get the records.
Yes. OS number
Monday, fresh
261.
matters.
In fact, adralli
Take it on Monday. Fresh matters.
Okay.
Yes.
It's number 2. Being spoken to still number 1.
ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಕಾಂತ್ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇವರೇ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್
Still number 2.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿದಾನಂದ
Lordships, senior is on his way. Is there in the next court? He's coming. Your Lordships.
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್
In Bharat, the pre-cognizance notice not issued, my lord. Before that, my lord, cognizance is taken and the notice has been issued.
ಓ ನಿಮ್ದು ಬೇರೆನಾ
Bharat.
The
Third
serial
matter.
number 3 is ours, Your Lordships.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ
The pre-cognizance notice not issued, my lord. And
Well,
see
it is-
page number
it was
38.
disposed
Yes,
or
my lord,
stayed,
because your lordship taken to consider that, my lord.
pre-cognizance notice is not issued
Not issued.
and cognizance is taken.
Cognizance is taken, thereafter they issued a notice. Page number 38. 37, sir.
The subject petition was disposed by the following order. The learned counsel, before it could be signed, the learned counsel for the petitioner has moved a memo of being spoken to on the score that the pre-cognizance notice was not even issued, but cognizance was taken, and there was the order proceeded on the premise that pre-cognizance notice is yet to be issued. In that light, the order stands recalled. List the matter tomorrow in the fresh matters list.
Sir,
ನಾಳೆ
please.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
Yes,
ಅವ್ರು
my lord,
ಬರ್ಲಿ.
this one is fully covered by page number 76.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
One. Next matter.
Serial number 3 ಈಗ
3.
ಕೊಡಿ
Lordships,
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್
this
ಮಾಡಿ.
matter was released actually, Your Lordships, this matter is already released, Your Lordships, and now moved for being spoken to, Your Lordships. This order copy was
76, my
released.
lord.
After that,
Only operative portion. my
ಆಯ್ತು
lord.
ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ತಾಳಿ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 2:30.
along with 93, it could be called up, Your Lordships.
ಆಯ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ
93 is
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
infectious one.
ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ before I could sign, there are some proceedings before the apex court also. Nobody apprised me about
We
that.
have,
And
subject to what
yesterday I told you,
No, that's a different proceeding.
apex court ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, in fact,
That's
sir,
a India Bulls
Ah.
regarding yes bank fraud.
I don't know,
That's
but
a different proceeding.
nothing,
sir, nothing
to do with
That's
this
got
order
nothing.
is fine.
This,
This order is fine.
Lord, Lord, the only one argument that we had was that in the last FIR, the B report is not yet accepted, but I believe that has been argued before Lordship, and Lordships were of the opinion that having regard to the time that has passed, it is deemed to have been accepted. Other than that, my lord, as
Just
of
to
now,
note-
we do not have any.
just to satisfy lordship's judicial conscience also. That note lordships may kindly see. Just so, that note we have given. What is that Supreme Court matter also? This got nothing to. Just, no, sorry. We were able to collect. But these are different proceedings, but just one note has been this.
High Court, no,
Lordships will
Delhi
take-
High Court had quashed the proceedings.
In
That was
respect-
taken to the Supreme Court.
Yes, my lord. And
The apex court has reserved liberty to the ED to file.
then they
a review.
filed and it was dismissed.
That review is also filed and.
Yes, it was dismissed. And but those proceedings are nothing to do with that. They are different proceedings. In fact, not I
they
must
are
also
handled by our
I must
head
also
office
bring to lordship's
HIU
notice.
unit in
Allah, I
Delhi.
must- sir, one nimsha.
One nimsha.
There is one founder director called one Mr. Samir Gehlot. It was against him, my lord, these proceedings were initiated. And in which, my lord, this actually company has been shown as victim, our this Saman Capitals. So that they are different proceedings.
That's right. Those are different proceedings.
So.
Your lordship is absolutely right. Allah, we, my lords,
Nano by
no, no, I was little more, if we after lordships have posted for being spoken to, and when they told me this, then.
No,
we
yesterday I
crossed-
told,
Yes.
Nuparna also I told you, should have not told about the Supreme Court.
In fact, my paragraph 8 of their affidavit, lordships may kindly see the affidavit filed by the ED in this case. Paragraph.
That I wanted because, where do I get?
The objections are there, counter statement. Madam, counter statement of ED.
Where is this?
Count-
Objection.
Extra copy ಇದೆ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ.
Paragraph 8. 8, 9, 10, but 8 is what?
Para 8 is it?
8. The present ECIR numbers BGZO 42 of 2022 dated 30th of March 2022 was recorded by the Directorate of Enforcement on the basis of information received in respect of 5 scheduled offences registered by the Karnataka State Police, which disclosed commission of offences involving forgery, cheating, criminal conspiracy and fraudulent procurement of loans from financial institutions, thereby generating proceeds of crime within the meaning of section 2(1)(u) of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. 9, my lords, 9, 10, 11, they have listed all of them and they admit that they have been closed. Now, my lords, what is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court also, my lords, we have given before your lordships, my lord, that is in that note. But in that, their argument, my lord, before your lordships in this counter affidavit was that it is a standalone offense, etc.
ಅದಾಯ್ತು ಅದೇ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. But may I?
ಅಲ್ಲ 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ?
But may I draw lordship's attention to that note, my lord, that note, my lord, which we have given.
ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ ನೋಟ್.
ಹೌದು. But in that note, my lord, permit me to refer to point number 2.
Delhi High Court.
Yes, we start by saying the Honorable Delhi High Court matter is an entirely different case, which stands disposed of in favor of the petitioner. On 26/9/2022, the Delhi High Court had quashed ECIR HIU 7 of 2021 after the Honorable Bombay High Court had quashed the predicate offense.
Correct.
Yes,
ಹೌದು.
so that ED challenged both orders 4/5/2020
Before the apex court.
before the Honorable Supreme Court of India in criminal appeal number so and so. On 12/2/2024, the said appeals were disposed of by the Honorable Supreme Court, holding that ED can avail alternative remedies, especially filing a complaint under 156(3) of CRPC, and granted liberty to the ED to do the same.
Yes.
Petitioner herein filed review petition stating that the above order gave an impression that a complaint under 156(3) moved by the ED would be maintainable in law, and then sought a clarification.
ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, now we are more responsible, not we have to be, there's no question of.
Lordship's information that there are certain proceedings pending is correct. Lord,
but nothing connected to this.
ECIR HIU 7 is closed, but ECIR HIU 28 is still pending.
Correct.
But
that is for 3 years in that the complainant is not even gone there.
That's a different.
The different matter.
But what I concede is that has got nothing to do with these proceedings.
So that.
No, lords,
I saw some proceedings of the apex court.
We also verified.
If apex court is was seeing it, then how would ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
We would have disclosed it. We would
have. That's what.
Even if they missed, we would not have missed it.
No, we will never. No, I mean,
correct. They would not.
In fact, I was telling Chintan why this happened, and all. Then he verified. The
that's all I wanted. I wanted to make myself my conscious this. That's all. Because it came up, and Anuparna said this is the thing. Then I went on.
All fairness.
Rampant.
In fact, they have filed an affidavit. The affidavit is filed.
Dictated and closed. So then I thought.
The affidavit is filed with the Deputy Director of
that I will quote.
Enforcement Director.
I'll quote that. Yes. The affidavit I'll quote.
The only argument that we had was that the last
one true, but that is for the last 3 years it is pending. Nobody.
I believe your lordships have already dealt with that.
I dealt with that also because it is pending for the last 3 years and there no action is taken on that. So it is virtually.
Of course not. If I may take the liberty, that there is any other thing they can proceed on.
That liberty they always have. That liberty they always have. If there any other crime is pending, they definitely have the liberty to initiate ECIR. Not a problem. But idರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
No, lords, my all responsibility. Lordship's order is not going to be misconstrued by us in respect of the other proceeding. That's what I'm only.
That I will clarify also. That
also lordships can observe, my lords, so that.
I will quote all this and. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ತಾಳಿ. I don't want to go and write something.
So I also felt bad, my lords, that I have not communicated something.
No, that's why it's in these certain things ASG ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ.
I'm great.
This court on so and so had disposed the petition by its order dated 13th August 2026. Before the order could be signed, it was noticed that certain proceedings against this very petitioner, who was earlier known as India Bulls Housing Finance, was pending, was before the apex court, and the apex court had issued certain directions. This was not not brought to the notice of this court while disposing the petition on 13th August 2026. Therefore, the matter at the instance of the court was posted for being spoken to be heard for the petitioners and the respondent enforcement directorate to be heard. The learned additional solicitor general, Shri Arvind Kamath, was requested to appear in the matter. The learned counsel for the petitioners, learned senior counsel for the petitioners, Prabhuling Navatgi and Dhyan Chinappa, in unison would submit that there is the matter that is pending before the apex court, or the directions issued by the apex court in those matters, has nothing to do with the present matters. They would take this court through the affidavit filed by the enforcement directorate in the case at hand, with particular references to paragraph 8 to 12. They read as follows. The learned senior counsel would submit that the enforcement directorate itself has accepted that the crime, the ECIR, was registered on 4 of the crimes which have all been closed today. And the fifth one is, we closed today, and the fifth one is hanging before the concerned court at the stage of acceptance of the B report for the last 3 years, as the complainant is not even appearing before the court. This court had considered these aspects, but had not noticed the affidavit or the apex court proceedings pending before the apex court, or the directions given thereon. It is therefore the matter was posted for being spoken to. The learned additional solicitor would submit that the crimes that were pending before the apex court and the directions issued by the apex court qua the present petitioner has nothing to do with the present crimes. The present crimes stood on the foundation of the predicate offences, and would admit that the predicate offences have been closed today. And and insofar as the B report is concerned, as submitted by the learned counsel Anuparna on the said day, the learned additional solicitor also would submit that no action is taken on the strength of the pendency of the petition, pendency of a proceeding before the concerned court on the B report, as many as 10 times the matter is listed before the concerned court for acceptance or rejection of the B report. The complainant has not even appeared before it. It is on these scores that that this court followed the judgment of the apex court in the case of Vijay Madan Lal Chowdhury and obliterated the proceedings against the petitioner. The obfuscation is not on account of either the learned senior counsels for the petitioner or for the counsel representing the enforcement directorate. The obfuscation is generated by this court and is now dissolved by this court. Yes. So same, the order will be treated as part, and I'll incorporate this into that order. Yes, sir. Thank you. So I should not be writing on the wrong side of the not relevant, but when I saw it, I thought I should. Now I am fine.
Matter simplified.
Status filed. An offense.
3 of us.
Huh?
2 and 3 of us.
One nimsham. Stay there.
Stay.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಏಟ್ ಬಿದ್ದಂಗಿದೆ
On the incident took place on the 11th, and complaint is given by the petitioners on the 12th of medical complaint is filed against Shilingaya. After 5 days of the incident, also for the Shilingaya find its workers who belongs to the SC and give this complaint and saying that they are not
the petitioners. Anything, madam?
Lordship, it was stayed in the very initial stage, Your Lordship.
I will finish it off in the initial stage only. Why you worry?
Statement of one of witnesses.
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
My complaint was they filed a B report.
best.
Having all the records.
ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಯಾಕೆ? The petitioner is before the court seeking the following prayer. Heard so and so. An incident on 12/7/2025, on 11/7/2025 results in twin complaints. One by the petitioners against the complainant, the other by the complainant against the petitioners. The allegation was of hurling of abuses and assault by the petitioners against the complainant and the complainant against the petitioners. The hurling of abuses against the petitioners was touching upon the ingredients of the Atrocities Act, of the Atrocities Act, apart from it being intimidation as obtaining under section 351 and 352 of the BNS. The registration of the crime is what drives the petitioner to this court in the subject petition. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner would vehemently contend that the complaint registered by the petitioners against the complainant, which had all the documents of assault, pictures, video, has ended in a B report. The clinical history which is appended to the petition would clearly demonstrate that there has been brutal assault by the complainant against these petitioners. The complaint onde din aita? The learned counsel would further submit that the complaint registered by the complainant against the petitioners is a counterblast to what the petitioners have registered against the complainant, as it is registered after 3 days. The learned HCGP submits that the matter should be investigated into, as there are allegations of the hurling of abuses as abuses, which should become an offence under the Atrocities Act and other allied offences. The complainant, though served, has remained unrepresented throughout. Therefore, the petitioner, counsel for the petitioner and the counsel for the complainant are heard in the matter. The learned counsel are heard. The afore narrated facts are not in dispute. They lie on a solitary incident that takes place on 11/7/2025. The complaint registered by the petitioners on 12/7/2025 against the petitioners against the complainant reads as follows, page 22 to 23. Adena nimdu paper nodi, page 22 to 23. This was registered on 12/7/2025, the very next day. The impugned complaint then comes to adu avatte agide 3 days ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the impugned complaint comes to be registered on 15/7/2025, 3 days later. The allegations are similar. The assault is against the petitioners. Documents are appended to the petition, which were also at the hands of the investigating officer. But the investigating officer files a B report in the complaint that had all the ingredients of assault and otherwise. But the crime registered against the petitioners 3 days after the incident as a counterblast for offences punishable under the Atrocities Act is what is wanting to be investigated into. This cannot be permitted for the simple reason of for the reason inter alia that one has resulted in a B report and the other, which does not have the semblance of ingredients of the offences under the Atrocities Act, is said to be projected to become a crime, as the complaint itself does not indicate that it was in a public view or a place, or it was in a public place or a place of public view as obtaining under section 31R or S. The apex court in so and so. Allowed question. Next.
Number 6.
Mic on ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
I'm sorry, madam. 19/9/2023, the alleged incident, the FIR is of the date 14/7/2024. There's in
1 minute, 1 minute. 363 why? 109?
What's that? The complaint is at page number 22. No attack against accused number 1 and 2.
ನೀವ್ಯಾರು?
I'm for 1 and 2. madam.
Ah.
There are totally 5 accused. 6 and other unknown accused.
19/9/2023.
19/9/2023.
The petitioners are accused 1 and 2 are alleged of the offense, including the offense of attempt to murder. The crime comes to be registered on 14/7/2024. The complaint itself indicates that the incident has happened at 1:30 p.m. on 19/9/2023. If the incident of assault or attempt to murder has happened on 19/9/2023, the complainants need not have waited for 10 months to register the said crime. The a perusal at the complaint would not indicate a speck of explanation for the delay of 10 months in registering the crime. The police have investigated and also filed a charge sheet in the matter, notwithstanding the same. In the light of the said delay, which is fatal in the case at hand, albeit prima facie, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Next.
7.
My lord, I'm representing the petitioners here because of common directorship in 2 companies.
Common
directorship.
Oh,
A wrong company has been added as.
2 weeks. Next.
8.
Your Lordship, that the first petition is the wife, your Lordship, that second and third is the parents of the wife,
Parents of the wife.
Petition number 1.
Yes,
Your
madam.
Lordship, that this is one Manoj, your Lordship, that they are married with the petition number 1 on 9/9/21.
Telegraph ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
The marriage was took place on 9/9/2021 before your Lordship, that they along with the petition number 1. Thereafter, your Lordship, that on
Settlement
20.
ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Respondent.
Yes, madam.
Matter has been compromised.
That's what settlement ಆಗಿದ್ದ.
Yes, sir.
306.
306.
The petitioner is before the court, calling in question the proceedings in SC 295 of 2023 registered for offences punishable under section so and so. The second respondent is the complainant father of the deceased. Is husband?
Husband.
Father of the deceased, the husband of the first petitioner. ಏನ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
In page number 16, your Lordship, there on.
It is the case of the prosecution that on 29/5/2022, a complaint, the second respondent registers a complaint that his sons, namely Manoj and Mithun, the first of the, he had 2 children, Manoj and Mithun, and the first son Manoj had was married to the first accused number one, and due to several differences between the two, the husband had committed suicide. During the police conduct investigation and file a charge sheet, and the matter was committed to the Court of Session is pending as SC 295 of 2023. Pendency of the Sessions case is what drives the petitioner to this court in the subject petition. The parties to the list during the subsistence of the proceedings have entered into a settlement for better living in future, notwithstanding the death of the son of the complainant. Since the issue relates to the offence punishable under section 306 of the IPC, the court was of the opinion that there could be no settlement but examination of whether the offences, the ingredients of the offence of 306 are met or otherwise. For an offence to become punishable under section 306, the ingredients as obtaining under section 107 of the IPC are necessarily to be present. The complaint in the case at hand reads as follows. The police, after investigation, file a charge sheet. The summary reads as follows. The complaint and the charge sheet, if are read in tandem, what would unmistakably emerge is that they both do not indicate any overt act, proximity, goading, or instigation at the hands of these petitioners for the son of the complainant to commit suicide. In the light of none of these none of the ingredients that are necessary for abetment of suicide being present in the case at hand, even if the trial is permitted, it would end up in an acquittal, except the rigmarole of procedure to be faced by these petitioners. The apex court in the case of Yadavinder, in that light, allowed cost.
Mahendra Avas actually, last time.
ಆವಾಸೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಾಕು.
Number 9.
In this case. Not, this case not similar, means the same allegations between the same parties, not there's another matter before this honorable court which has been stayed, not. It's 166. Page number 62, annexure E. Page number 62, annexure E.
Shall we tag it?
Yes, Lord.
62, same model.
Yes.
Heard the council, Pradeep. Yes.
10.
This may also be stayed, my lord, until it is listed together. The present petition.
Stayed and listed, sir.
Yes. Great.
Not listed and stayed.
Yes, yes.
Stayed and listed.
Agreed. Grateful.
10.
Shibuze, 10 alla, Vinod, sorry. Society.
Please, sir.
Yes.
Filing objections.
Copy kotra?
I'll-
Kodi. Yes, sir. Same order, forgery.
Offenses are forgery and cheating, my lord. They're relying on a 2013 6 compromise. They're
Like
relying on,
Anagilva.
they're relying on a 2013 compromise, my lord, which could not have been entered into at all. And that's exactly, a suit was filed, a compromise was entered during a subsistence of an interim order by this honorable court, and some directions were given. And despite that being challenged and a crime being registered, a subsequent sale deed in the year 2014. is entered.
ಅವರೇನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಯು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್. ರೆಡಿಯಾ?
Tomorrow, Malash.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yes.
Fresh matter.
Fresh matters. Tomorrow. Yes. And you should be aware, identical matter ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಾಪಿ?
I'll give it.
Identical matter have already disposed.
Yes, Malash, but in the 2006, the
ಅಲ್ಲ,
mediation.
ಸೇಮ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಇದು.
No, Malash.
ಸೇಮ್ ರೀಸನ್ OS 2010 ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಹೌದಾ?
No, Malash, that is already mediation ಅಲ್ಲಿ settle ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. That anyway, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇನಾ
Compromise
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
that is challenged, that's the very compromise that's challenged, my lord. People who have authorized that compromise could not have compromised that on behalf of society.
We'll see tomorrow.
Only
Let him go through
document
it.
produce ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ.
FIR ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ in the objection. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ mediation in the 2010 OSL mediation set aside ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರೋ ಅದ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes. Tomorrow.
11.
Stay. Post immediate. R1 ನೀವೇನಾ? Learned HCGP accepts notice for the second respondent as well, thus completes the service of notice in offense.
That's section 7 of essential commodities.
2 weeks IO. Next.
Much of it.
12.
Innocent MDMA.
No, my lord, it's not MDMA.
Oh, it's Madhu.
Madhu, yes.
Yes.
My lord, I have only 2 point submission to make here.
Only 2 pointed submissions. Please do, sir.
My lord, first submission, I'm relying on the
SOP.
Yes, my lord,
Yes.
the annexure R9 at page 30.
Yes, sir.
My lord, if you may kindly see clause, para number 3 and clause number 4, clearly.
It's punishable by 10 years, sir. I will not give you the benefit of the SOP. I will direct the trial to be concluded within a time frame.
My lord, I also refer to the judgment of your lordship.
Yes.
I filed it in the last.
I know, I have seen that. Yes.
That is the same case with this, my lord. On the basis of this SOP, your lordship was pleased to direct the withdrawal of the case.
Correct.
Even though, my lord, along with offense under NDPS, there were other 8 cases sections under IPC and the 3 sections under Foreigners Act for that petitioner. Still, your lordship was pleased to direct the withdrawal. I'm relying on this judgment,
I know, sir.
The offenses there were different, my lord. Here
Offences are
22C
different.
is 10 years to 20 years. And in another case, your lordships will see in my objections.
7 years, sir.
Page number 25. I've already directed him to investigation to go on in another case, which is I've produced that order at page
No,
25.
this is now, it's a stage of trial.
Please.
It's a stage of trial, right?
Yes, my lord. This is only on the stage of here before charge. This case
No
is
problem. I will-
2020 case, 2022 case, my lord.
No
Up till
problem.
now,
What were you caught with?
Weed oil, my lord.
Heroin.
Weed
no,
oil.
no, my lord, weed oil.
Weed oil.
Weed oil.
Yes, my lord. It comes under, that
What
is
do you
the
do with-
allegation.
What do you do with weed oil?
My lord, I have no idea. That's the
You have
allegation.
no idea.
That's the allegation of the police. Actually,
That's
my
the
lord,
job of the police. What do they do with the weed oil?
actually, it is a false case, my lord. But I don't want to go into the merit. That's why I'm asking for limited relief.
218 grams of weed oil found in his possession, my lord.
216.
16.
So it's peddling.
According to the police, I mean, the charge sheet, they were caught in the place where they were eating, in a restaurant. If your lordship may imagine
Imagine, why should I imagine?
Okay, I withdraw
Do
that.
imagine.
I withdraw that. If someone is eating, in fact, in the whole of the charge sheet, there is no mention of compliance to section 50. They just made, omnibus allegation, 216 was recovered from this. How in a restaurant where people were eating? Is it from his body or from the place, the premises? No mention of it at all. So, my lord, I am requesting your lordship.
See, I will do this way. It is between 10 to 20 years is the punishment now. If charge is framed for you for that, I will direct the concerned court to expedite the proceedings. In case charge is framed for these offenses, now charge is not yet framed. Charge is framed for these offenses, then you're gone, only trial. If charge is framed for offenses which are punishable for 7 years, then you take the benefit of the circular.
Actually, my lord, is punishable for up to 10 years, not 10 to 20.
That we'll see, yes.
Is section 20B, my lord.
The petitioner is before the court seeking the following prayer. The petitioner is a Nigeria?
Yes, my lord.
Nigerian national. Is caught with possession of 218 grams
16,
of
16, my lord.
2 grams. 216 grams of weed oil in a restaurant. The petitioner is now on a limited relief that he should get the benefit of a circular issued by benefit of an order issued by the Government of India, which draws up a standard operating procedure for the purpose of withdrawal of cases and for deportation to of these Nigerian nationals or any other national to their respective nations. The learned counsel submits that the petitioner is wanting to take the benefit and go back to Nigeria and would abide by the conditions of the standard operating procedure that is found in the said circular. The learned CGC, Srimati Kirti Reddy, would take this court through the circular and also the petition or documents appended to the petition to demonstrate to prima facie demonstrate that that the offences at this juncture, as the charge is not yet framed, runs beyond 10 years. Therefore, the benefit of the circular, benefit of the order which draws the SOP cannot be directly conferred upon these petitioners. Conferred upon only one petitioner, conferred upon this petitioner. The learned counsel.
Petitioner is A2.
A2, petitioner accused number 2. The learned counsel submits that if the charges are framed for the offences which would come down from 10 to 7 years or is between 10 to 7 years, then the benefit of the circular can be taken by these petitioners, by the petitioners appearing before a committee that is constituted in terms of the SOP, and the committee would take its call. The submission of the learned CGC would merit acceptance for the reason that the charge is yet to be framed against the petitioner, and if the charge charge would be framed against the petitioner for conduct of a trial and that said charge would be punishable of up to 10 years or up to 10 years, punishable for 7 years imprisonment as the allegation of 7 years imprisonment, then the petitioner would become entitled to the benefit of the SOP.
My
If
lord, it's
he-
up to 10 years, not 7 years.
7 to
Plus
10
4.
years, yes, 7 to 10 years, 7 or 10 years. There is no 8 years here. The petitioner would become entitled to the benefit of the SOP. In the event, in such eventuality, the petitioner shall appear before the screening committee constituted by the state government for the purpose of withdrawal of the cases whose punishments are up to 7 or 10 years, 7 or up to 10 years as the case would be. And it was for the committee to consider the same bringing in the FRRO, the respondent, into the loop, and further action to be taken in terms of the circular. For the present, this court cannot direct that the petitioner appear before the committee, and the committee directing him to the FRRO in the light of the aforesaid circumstances. With the aforesaid observation, the petition stands disposed.
Great.
Hearing for respondent. number 2, my
Maintainability of
lordship.
second petition.
My lord, earlier my lordship disposed of that petition.
Maintainability stands overruled.
My lordship, 1 week time may be granted to file the statement of
Please
objection.
do, sir.
Next week, any day.
Stay has already been granted.
One ನಿಮಿಷ sir, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಗೊತ್ತು.
175(3) ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. There is no compliance of on section.
138 ಅಂತಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು ಮೇಡಮ್, 138. I had filed a complaint against against the second respondent.
Learned counsel with the respondent seeks 2 weeks time to file statement of objections. List after 2 weeks. IO. Next.
14.
498 proceedings, my lord. After filing the charge sheet, the matter has been settled.
Settlement. ಇಲ್ಲಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾಗಿದೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಬೈ ಡೈವರ್ಸ್.
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
It's there.
ಕೊಡಿ. Yes, closed. Next.
Parties are present also.
All right.
now. Please.
ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. Undertake.
ಯಾವಾಗ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Undertake.
Please.
Yes.
ತುಮಕೂರಿನ ಮಂದಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದಾ? ತುಮಕೂರಿನವ್ರಿಗೆ exempted ಆ?
Just take.
ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ.
I'll file it.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Please.
Lord, in this 15, Lord, they are not, notice is not at order.
Criminal misconduct ಆ? ಏನಿದು?
Misconduct. The matter, Lord, our Lordship has heard
Number
the
15 is the
Tejas
beneficiary.
Kumar's case, Lord, is for result.
ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗ ಇದು?
ಹೌದು. They are the beneficiaries, that they are
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರು?
Lord, the grantee.
Grantee.
And 15 crores has been transferred.
ನಿಮಗೆ 15 ಕೋಟಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ, ಅವ್ರದೇ
20 ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ವಿಲ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ.
ಇನ್ನು
ಏನ್
191
ಬಂದಿದೆ?
1.5 ಕೋಟಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 191 ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 191 ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಬರೀ 30 ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು?
That was the suspicion, we have to investigate.
ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 191 ಮೇಲೆ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೀನಿ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗುವಳಿಗೆ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ, ಎಸಿಗೆ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ, ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 2 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್
ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೂ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರಿಗೆ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ, ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ಗೆ 2 ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಇವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ತಹಶೀಲ್ದಾರ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಕೆಡಿಬಿಗೆ 60 ಲಕ್ಷ.
Submitted a report, all the bogus documents.
ತಹಶೀಲ್ದಾರ್ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ತಗೊಂಡಿದಾರ?
ಕೆಡಿಬಿಗೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ 60 ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಕೆಡಿಬಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ 60 ಲಕ್ಷ, ಅನುಭವ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್
10 ಲಕ್ಷ,
10 ಲಕ್ಷ,
ಜಿಎಂಸಿಗೆ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ, ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಅನುಮೋದನೆಗೆ 8 ಲಕ್ಷ. 1.5 ಕೋಟಿ
ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ?
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರವರೇ ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ 30 ಲಕ್ಷ ಮಾತ್ರ.
ಯು ಆರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲೂಸರ್.
ಎಸ್.
ಅಲಿಜೆಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲೂಸರ್.
ಎಸ್.
Not the land losers. They are the
Grantee 1962 grant. My none.
90,
None.
15.1 is the grantees and this person is the government employee.
No. He is the son of the grant.
Son of the grantee.
He is correct per 4.
ನಿಮಗ್ 30 ಲಕ್ಷ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ 30 ಲಕ್ಷ
30
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
lakhs.
Therefore, I am saying that
ಅಲ್ಲ
the
ಇವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ
matter
ಏನ್
requires
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
the
ಅಲ್ಲ
investigation.
ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವೆಲ್ಲ?
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ
ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
36-37ರಲ್ಲಿ ಧನಂಜಯ ವಕೀಲರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಲಾದ ಹಣವನ್ನು ವಿವರ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ದು. ಇದು ಯಾರ್ದು? ಹೂಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್?
in crime number 4 is search warrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಎಸ್ ಲತೀಫ್.
The preliminary inquiry report.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Today, now
ಸಾಗುವಳಿ ಚೀಟಿಗೆ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
now he is serving the copy. Notice is not at order.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಸಿ ಆದೇಶ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
AC ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
AC has passed an order to change the mutation entries in the 2022.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 5 lakhs ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
He is an accused.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಅದು ಹೇಳಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅರೌಂಡ್
ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್
ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಫೀಸ್.
One writ petition seeking mandamus to release the compensation. The second contempt petition. Disperse the award.
ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಫೀಸ್ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಹಶೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ನೈಜತೆ
ಇವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ who appeared.
ಅಲ್ಲ ತಹಶೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಯಾಕೆ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು?
He has placed the report saying that is the genuine documents.
Oh, he has taken 10 lakhs.
That is
allegation.
Allegation.
ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ 2 ಲಕ್ಷ. KEDB
ರಿಲೀಸ್
ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ 60 ಲಕ್ಷ.
That is the grade is SLAO.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 15 ಕೋಟಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು.
60 ಲಕ್ಷ. ಅನುಭವ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಸರ್ವೇಯರ್ ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಅವರು ಒಂದ್ 8 ಲಕ್ಷ. ಆಮೇಲೆ GMC ಅಂದ್ರೆ GMC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರ್ರಿ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
GMC 5 ಲಕ್ಷ. ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಅನುಮೋದನೆ 8 ಲಕ್ಷ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಈಗ
all the accused are referred in the
complaint. All the accused are there or not in this?
Some of the accused had approached this court.
AC ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ.
ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು?
ನಮ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಬೆನಿಫಿಷಿಯರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಹಶೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರೋದು.
No, kindly see page number 22 mila.
7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 14 page number 14 ಮೇಲೆ
22 is the complaint wherein we refer to.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ರು ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅದು?
Because Lord, it is a bogus grant certificates was created in the year 2022 and placed it before the assistant commissioner. He passed an order himself by the assistant commissioner. Again, he comes to KADB and he himself dispersed the compensation as a SLAO and he has played dual role.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಸದರಿ ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ನಕಲು ದಾಖಲೆಗಳ ಪ್ರಕರಣದ ತನಿಖೆಯ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ವಶಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು? ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾಟೆಕ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಆ ಕವರ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಡೈರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರನ್ನ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ.
While conducting
none of these people should be left free.
Yes.
And if you have not brought everybody into the web of crime,
yes, there is a stay.
Where is the stay? Idralli stay idya?
Ide. Lordship has reserved the matter so far as the both crime lord, the main accused SLO and assistant commissioner is concerned. The matters were reserved.
SLO and assistant commissioner
in connect another crime.
That we will take care. But ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ this court had directed release of compensation?
In this case.
In this case,
yes.
There was a mandamus by this court to release compensation.
Yes, bro.
Correct?
Yes.
That mandamus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೋಗಸ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ?
Lord, the order was passed by the assistant commissioner. Kindly see, Lord. The SLO who acted as assistant commissioner prior to he coming to the KADB, wherein Lord he has passed an order to change the mutation entry in the year 2022. The acquisition was held in the year 2018 by the KADB.
Correct.
And when he was, he has passed directed to change the entries. And again he comes to KADB.
ಈ ಡೈರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ್ದು ಹೆಸರಿದೆ?
We are referred all the 22 accused
All
in the
these should-
complaint.
All these should be accused.
Yes, Lordship has permitted to investigate. That matter was reserved, my Lord, in the
I
both
will,
the crimes.
we'll wait.
We'll place it the entire records.
We'll pronounce that fast.
The criminal petition, that writ petition number.
ಕೊಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
Connected crime. They are the
ಅಲ್ಲ beneficiaries ಅಂದ್ರೆ who have created those beneficiaries ಅವ್ರನ್ನ should
they
you
are
not
also
do it?
accused.
1 minute ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
Some part of the
ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ
compensation is
ಥ್ರೂ
transferred
ಅಕೌಂಟ್
to their
19 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಮಾರನೇ ದಿನದಿಂದನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಥ್ರೂ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. That is was the investigation we request to investigate.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವ್ರನ್ನ.
appears to be courageous corruption.
Yes. And how after 20 years he has passed an order to change the revenue entries, even though there was an acquisition proceedings.
Was it not brought to his notice?
Yes,
the SLA was noticed.
He himself passed in as assistant commissioner. How can he bypass again it in the by dispersing compensation?
Like
and he made
himself had passed some order which is changed after 20 years.
Yes. And again he comes to KDB to disperse the compensation. It got it transferred. The same SLA, that officer.
Commitment, sir. ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ.
And furthermore, he is involved in 4 more cases, not that is also listed last week. I'll place it all this.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾರು ಇವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡೋಣ. And all these persons should be accused. Whoever name is found in this with the amount that is transferred, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಅವರೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮೂಲಕ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಇಂದನೇ
ಲೀಗಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋಟಿ ಬಂತು?
15 crores.
1 ಕೋಟಿ 50 ಲಕ್ಷ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂತು.
Per acre 1 crore 20 lakhs.
Per acre
1 crore 20 lakhs.
15 acres,
please.
ಅಲ್ಲ
12 acres.
12
acres. So 15 crores is ultimately land loser ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಯ್ತು?
1 ಕೋಟಿ 50 ಲಕ್ಷ 1 ಎಕರೆಗೆ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
Only 30 lakhs.
ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
30 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅದೂನು.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಲಕ್ಷ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ.
ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ. Yes.
We'll investigate even the
you should investigate, sir. How will you not investigate? We'll see. ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್
ಯಾವುದು ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್?
17753 of 26.
In the cause list itself.
Cause list will
mentioned.
Cause list
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. And reserved so and so. All right. ಇದು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
Yes. Stay till then.
Stay.
He is a beneficiary.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ you should place the report.
I'll file the objection.
New kind of corruption. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್.
He had placed the record in the last date.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಅದೇ SLA ಓದು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ 8 ಲಕ್ಷ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಫೀ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ. ಯಾರ್ದು ಇವ್ರ ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ದುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ?
One of the officer worked here is also involved in 2 cases of Kumbalgodu.
That is yesterday's matter.
ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
No. Manjunath BR something. Yesterday it lordship has passed.
ಕುಂಬಲ್ಗೋಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
2 cases is identical of this case.
What is this?
Daylight loot. In these 2 cases I have not filed objection. Today they served the copy.
ಯಾರೋ ಚಿಕ್ಕ 7 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಇವರು.
And the lordship has granted in that yesterday's matter, Lord, that is in the similar case.
ಅದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ? ಯಾವ 13 ಅಲ್ಲ?
This misconduct.
ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಕಾಂಡಕ್ಟ್.
Yes.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Last directed to post it on next
No,
Monday.
connected to this case.
No. Separate crime.
Connected to this case ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಕಾಂಡಕ್ಟ್.
3 and 4.
All right. ಅದೇ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಎನಿವೆ ಇದು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸ್ಟೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
Please.
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ?
In that case we have filed objection also.
ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್
ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್?
ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿಗೆ ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇನ್ನೂ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದ್ಯಾಕೆ? ನೀವು ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತನ?
ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ?
Maybe the interim order was granted in the Tejas course.
ಆಯ್ತು, we'll see.
Please.
16. Kindly pass over the matter, my lords.
16.
Swimming pool death ಆಗಿದ್ದು yesterday's matter.
We are paying FT, my lords.
ಅದೇ
We are paying. Today only we will pay.
ಯಾವಾಗ?
Afternoon.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್.
Great, my lords. 17.
Please, the Lord. Complaint is registered based on cooperative societies man with respect to a company which is investing the public money in the share market. The Lordship would go to page 60.
Yes, sir.
Now, complaint is based on an inquiry conducted pursuant to order passed by DC under section.
Where do I get that?
I'll paste it. I have the entire record.
Kodi.
Only with respect to registration of FIR, my lord.
The
DC passed an order under KPID based on a input, because my lord,
ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. Let me see this.
The Lordship, I didn't find such an act under which this has been registered. I didn't find any act called Karnataka Protection of Interest of Depositors Exorbitant Act.
KPID ನು ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
Exorbitant Act, not KPID.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
ಅದು ಇದೆ. Let me
KPID
see.
has not been involved.
ನಾಳೆ. Yes, tomorrow.
Exorbitant Act.
18.
Copy of a petition, my lord, 138 proceedings. My lord had posted this for a dictating order.
ಈಗ ಮಾಡೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Yes, sir. 311 application.
Please, my lordship, this is third time with 311 application.
Yes, Anand.
My lord, just on a 2 footnote, I'll make a submission. On the closure of the defense evidence, I brought 9 documents. Out of 9 documents, 3 documents are very, very important. DW1, which is page number.
ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಗ?
Currently, it is after closure of a defense evidence, on the same day, I had filed a 311 application. On subsequent to it, order was passed indicating it, there is no merit.
Whom do you want to re-examine?
I have to re-examine the documents which have brought on 3 materials, the same PW1, who is none other than complainant, only for a day. My lords had taken a view.
My lordship, they are suppressed above the order passed by the trial judge. They are not produced along with the petition.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು?
They're saying that there is without reasoning the passing the order by the trial court. There is a separate order passed by trial court by giving findings.
ಅದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, even if there are reasons. I will fix one day. ಅವತ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
Is already cross-examined 3 times. The petitioner, the complaint is 80 years age old. Is suffering from.
I had gone through 2 heart attacks, my lord.
Now you have to take care of his transport and expenses.
Grateful. Yes, my lord.
Yes.
And
he resides in a Sampangi Ramanagar. Court is also in a Sampangi Ramanagar.
ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಪಕ್ಕನೇ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
But I'm ready to bear the expenses.
What is seeking in the application, my lordship, for recall the PWM for the purpose of confrontation of the exhibit series, which has already marked. He was cross-examined on those documents.
I will grant him a day's time. ಅವತ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
They imposed
cost very much
because the suffering from several.
The petitioner is before the court. The petitioner is before the court calling in question the order of the concerned court dated ಯಾವತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅದು 36/20/26, by which the concerned court rejects the application of the petitioner seeking re-examination of PW1.
And that after passing the order by the trial court, we are argue the matter. Then thereafter matter they are seeking a.
ಒಂದ್ ದಿನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Please.
Yes. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 4 ವಾರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಡ್ಜನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದು ಹೋಯ್ತಾ?
Please.
Yes. The so and so. The petitioner is the accused, the respondent, the complainant. The two have a transaction. The transaction leads the complainant to the concerned court invoking section 200 of the CRPC for offense punishable under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act. The issue in the list is not with regard to the merit of the matter, but an order that is passed by the concerned court rejecting the application on the score that it was the third in line and it is only a ruse to drag the proceedings which are pending since 2023. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that if one opportunity is granted on a particular day, he will finish the cross-examination. He will finish cross-examination of the of PW1 and conclude his side of the evidence. The learned counsel submits that any condition that this court would impose on any condition that this court can impose. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent would take this court through the documents appended to the petition, seeking to demonstrate that the petitioner has been dragging the complainant accused has been dragging the proceedings right from the beginning, and this is the third application, only a third application that too for the purpose of confronting the documents that are produced in defense. The learned counsel submits that it should be dismissed. In the light of the submissions and the contra submissions, I deem it appropriate to contra submissions on a perusal of the order passed by the concerned court. I deem it appropriate to grant one opportunity to the petitioner to cross-examine. Next date,
My lord, it's on a 22/9.
One opportunity to the petitioner to further cross-examine the complainant and conclude the cross-examination on the particular day. Since the matter is listed on 22/9/2026, I deem it appropriate to direct the concerned court to permit cross-examination of PW1 on the said day and its conclusion on the same day itself. In the event the petitioner would seek any adjournment on the said date, he would lose the opportunity. That is granted by this court at this juncture. This, however, would not be a free fall, but on costs of transport of the complainant from his place to the court and return and is to check amount
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs. It is paid through check only, bank
5 lakhs.
transactions.
And cost of rupees 5,000.
Yes, my lord.
Cost of rupees 5,000.
One submission.
And in
my lord.
earlier proceedings, this honorable
One
was
sub-
directed to dispose of the matter within 6
Yes.
One submission, my lord. The trial court date is on 22/9. This court had in a previous occasion directed for a 6 months disposal. I would be allowed to permit to advance the matter so that I complete it.
The petitioners, the parties to the list are at liberty to advance the matter, and the concerned court, bearing in mind the observation made in the course of this order, regulate its procedure.
Grateful, my lord.
Please, next. Ordered according.
19.
Madam,
For the. Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yes, I am for the petitioners.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು petitioners?
I am for the petitioners.
ಯಾರು petitioners? ಇದು ಓದೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಹಿಂಗ? Petition ಹಿಂಗೆ.
I'm sorry, petitioners, husband and wife and mother.
Husband and wife problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡೋದ?
And my person and I'm sorry.
ಅದು R2 and R3 ಮಾತ್ರ. DV proceedings 1
ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ
ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ?
what happened, the 498 also dismissed and restitution conjugal also dismissed. So that they have not initiated any maintenance also, they have not filed anything else. So that is already concluded the magistrate for the 498 and section 3 and 4 of DV Act. Also, which may be accused petition number 1 also is to be.
ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ wife. Yes.
Please.
ಇದು
Today, I'm sorry to.
today ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾವು.
Please, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes. Next.
Sorry to.
20.
21, Approxo, my lords. Similar
Marriage.
matter, My lords, he's a doctor.
Non-reporting
He's not
radiologist.
The non-reporting.
My lords, this honorable court, my lords, in the similar matter, my lords granted stay. So number 56 also, my lords, same similar matter. My lords. Accused number 1 ಗೆ my lordship has granted stay. In the, my lords, series of
ಏನ್
matters.
ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ನೀವು?
You scan. The referred by the doctor, my lords.
ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಏಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ?
My lords, the report, my lords referred by doctor.
ಅದೇ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
We have
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
uploaded,
That
my
was
lords,
also collected.
kindly see, my
ಅದು
lords.
ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಇವು ಎರಡು ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Lords, kindly see, my lords, annexure E, my lords.
ಯಾವ್ದಿದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂರು?
Yella accused number 1 who was referred, my lords, to the scanning, she granted stay by the honorable.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Tag this petition along with the criminal petition. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ SJK. List the matter on 25th in the fresh matters list. There shall be an interim order as is.
Number 56 also same.
56 also same. There shall be an interim order of stay. Yes. Avath will close all the three.
Please. Yes. Lords, we have informed, my lords, I have produced the document annexure E, my lord, kindly see. In the Balika, my lords, there is a website. So, my lords, upload the crime. We have uploaded in the crime, my lords, in the website. Only, my lords, it's happened, my lords, offense in the year of 2016, my lords. Now, in the 26th, they have registered FIR.
16 ಇದು.
Howದು? Without, my lords, looking up, my lords, the Balika website. My lords,
Tag along with zones.
please.
Same order.
That's a matter with respect to where I had expressed about case and the counter case, where one of the petitioner is an advocate and rest of them.
ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ ತಾವು to secure instructions ಅಂತ ತಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
Papers ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
ಏನದು? ಕೊಡಿ. Petition number 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, I am also very much interested with fairly speaking with petitioner number 1.
ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ತೆಗ್ದಿರೋದು ಅದೇ ಎಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್.
ಯಾರು ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ? ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ತೆಗ್ದಿದಾರ, ಆಯ್ತು. ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ತೆಗಿತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇವರೇ ಗಲಾಟೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, earlier there is a complaint before the Lokayukta against the brother of the complainant.
Civil dispute.
Not civil dispute, where they were trying to acquire the Gomala and other villages.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ.
ಯು ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಎಸ್,
ಫಾದರ್ ಒಬ್ರಿದ್ರು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ
ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಫಾದರ್. ಎಸ್, ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆನ್ 28th. ಅವತ್ ನೋಡು.
Grateful.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing.
Grateful.
22. So 108, my lords, deceased my lords supplied quarry materials to accused. My lords, the deceased demanded money, my lords, the accused my lords did not pay the money, abused and abated the deceased my lords. Death note, my lords, that is the allegations.
ದುಡ್ಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ದುಡ್ಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬೈದ್ರು.
Due from my side.
That
is the only allegation in the complaint.
In the meantime, next.
23.
Petitioners, my lords. 242 application came to be allowed, my lords. Filed to produce certain documents through complainant by the prosecution.
First, immediately after service of notice upon the respondent.
Interim.
Next, interim order continue. Next, Shankar.
24.
Petition 1 is my husband. Petition number 2 is my cousin.
2 stayed.
Yes, sir.
A1 illa, 2 stayed. Next.
Please.
25.
For the petitioner, offenses are 120B, 465 to 477. Right here, forgery, the alleged forgery is said to have been taken place in 1997, my lord. The FIR has come to be registered in the year 2026, this January, my lord.
No, one moment. Complainant is a grantee?
No, my lord. Then the complainant is the legal representative of the grantee. Legal representative of the grantee. He is the
Of the grantee.
Please, my lord.
That's what I'm asking. Only they can do this. Yes. In the meantime.
Okay.
In Barkoli, the petitioners are the purchasers.
Please, ma'am.
The petitioners are the purchasers of a property.
Petitioner, my lord.
Obrena.
Obre.
The petitioner is the purchaser of a particular property which is now claimed by the complainant on the strength of him being a grandson of the original grantee. The sale was in the year 1997. The complaint comes to be registered in the year 2026, alleging that the sale of the year 1997 between the original grantee and the petitioner is a product of forgery. The son now claims that his father's signature had been forged. The father kept quiet all his life. Therefore,
One addition. There's a subsequent addendum to the sale deed wherein they're confirming the sale deed. The
who?
family- Please.
Complainant.
The complainant was a minor that he was represented by his father.
The added circumstance is that the complainant endorses the sale after him turning 18 years and still registers the complaint of forgery and cheating. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation qua the petitioner till the disposal of the petition. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice. Next. ಏನಿದು?
The 223 correction to 175(3), Your Lordship, in both those matters. This is with respect to the Siddhartha Trust.
This
the
is
Kharge
today.
matter.
Okay. Yes,
Please.
yes. ಎರಡಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Please, Your Lordship.
ಎರಡು ಇದೆಯಾ?
Please.
Ah,
Please, 26 and 27.
The only finding by the learned special judge Milord
ಅಲ್ಲ
is
ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಅದೇ conclusion ಅಲ್ಲಿ finding in relation to the conclusion is the affidavit is not in accordance with section 333.
That you see the judgment of the apex court that comes later.
Not even there, not the affidavit to be filed before the learned SP was required to be not in compliance with 333.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಅದು is that not a curable defect?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
is that not a curable defect? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 223 enquiry prevention of corruption act ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? Court, what is this?
Your Lordship, even if I were in.
ಈ worst on a worst situation I'm saying.
Yes, Your
Even then, ಆಮೇಲಿಂದ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ನಾನೇ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
I understand.
That opportunity was missing. Probably the petitioner was not put on notice that I am finding this deficiency in your affidavit. That finding
Even the deficiency in my affidavit would come as a result of this
Then
judgment.
we will
Your
cure
Lordship,
that and send it for investigation.
Your
Carry it.
Lordship, the judgment comes in 2026. My petition is as old as 2025. So even that will not arise is what I'm.
I will myself direct reference.
Please.
Instead of sending it back, I will cure this defect will be cured and send it. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಕೊಡೋದು. We'll do that. Where to dispose? We'll do that.
Please,
Yes.
obliged. Your Lordship required to go through the PCR to even confirm the contents, Your Lordship, in
Yes,
view of the
madam,
fact
I
that.
will.
Your Lordship, might I then hand over the set
Kodi,
of the entire PCR, Your Lordship?
PCR ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Illa.
ಏನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು?
I have produced all the other documents, Your Lordship. The entire
PCR
set
copy
of
ಕೊಡಿ ಸಾಕು, not the documents.
documents also, Your Lordship, might I hand it over in view of the fact that the observations made by the
Don't
learned
tell me
judge
I have to
also-
get a trolley for it now.
No, it's just
yes,
very minimal.
Yes, yes.
Obliged. Both the cases,
All right.
26 and 27.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೇರೆ. So this is rightly so. Yes.
Obliged.
Great.
But I'll narrate the facts and then do it. That's all.
Great.
Yes. Yes, next. ಏನಿದು? 27 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಾಗ್ಲೇ? Same.
28.
Allegations of misconduct.
Criminal misconduct.
Yes. Lord, squarely caught by my Lord's judgment, my Lord, wherein I was not one of the concerned officers, my Lord, who was supposed to do.
Who gave you the endorsement that you are not a concerned officer? TVCC cell ತಾನೇ ಇದು?
Yes. Now kindly see, my Lord, thereafter there is specific query put
Same
in.
complainant.
Yes.
Really judgment.
I produced it, my Lord. Annexure.
Same complainant, same period, same.
196.
Endorsement same ಇದೆಯಾ?
Page 196.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಬಟಿ ಸರ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ. Counsel Venkatesh Arbati is directed to accept notice for the respondent. By the same, on the strength of the same complaint, proceedings had been instituted against another officer, which this court has quashed. It's become final?
Yes, they were not challenged.
Had quashed the proceedings in criminal petition 797 of page 196. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, query the petitioner, the learned counsel Venkatesh, ಅವರೇ ತಾನೇ appear ಆಗಿದೆ?
Please, Venkatesh Arbatti.
Venkatesh Arbatti is directed to accept notice for the respondent. 28th.
Please.
Yes. Petitioner to serve set of papers upon the aforesaid counsel forthwith. Yes, Sunil.
29.
Quashing ಇದು ED da ಏನು?
ED ಅಲ್ಲ, predicate offense, ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ. It may be tagged along with ED.
ಕೊಡಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Criminal petition number 5741 of 2026.
ಕೊಡಿ sir. Tag the petition along with so and so. Place the matter on
25/8.
25, yes.
Meanwhile, Venkatesh, ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್
ಮಾಡಿ.
ನೋಟಿಸ್
learned counsel ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅರ್ಬಟ್ಟಿ. This is ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಮಿಲಟ್ಸ್.
Learned counsel Venkatesh Arbatti is directed to accept notice for the respondent. ಮುಂಚೆ ಅದು ಅವರೇ appear ಆಗಿದ್ರಾ? Accept notice for the respondent, petitioner to serve set of papers upon the aforesaid counsel, tag along with so and so. 28th. 25th ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದು? 25th, all right, yes.
30.
For petition in this case, petitioner and respondent number 2 were college mates.
College mates?
Please. They were in a relationship. Relationship failed. Petitioner completed his studies in the month of April 2023. Few months later, respondent number 2 will will register a FIR under IT Act for uploading the image photos that we took together while we were in a
Why
relationship.
did you upload, sir?
It was not uploaded by me, my lord.
Who
sir.
uploaded then?
It was uploaded in her own Instagram account.
Oh.
First, she will register FIR under IT Act. I got bail on 27/9/2023. I went to the police station on 20/10/2023 to comply with the bail condition. The very next day, my lords, the present case, SC/ST and allegation of rape has been alleged against me. Not a single allegation of rape has been mentioned in the IT Act. Only after I obtained bail in IT Act, my lords, the present FIR has been registered against me.
First, ಬರೀ IT Act ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು?
In serial number 58, my lords, ಇದೆ. Second list.
ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನಾನು.
Please.
Yes. ಎರಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡು. Yes, next. Password.
31.
Lord, this case, Lord, 2 cases were for while overtaking the vehicle, Lord, that touch upon the vehicle.
Then
No. Yes, I'll withdraw the petition till 1 week's, Lord, the
ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನಾಗಿದೆ?
both minor, as per the FIR itself, column number 7 says the minor injuries in both cases.
They're taking treatment as
ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? You have not come out?
Ready to come out, they will arrest.
ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೊಲೀಸರು
ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಮೈನರ್ ಇಂಜುರೀಸ್ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ FIR itself
ಇಂಜುರೀಸ್
ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೈನರ್ ಅಂತ. ಬೋತ್
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ 7 ಏನು?
7 of the FIR.
ಕಾಲಮ್ 10.
7 of the FIR.
Oh, injury type minor.
It's happened on 14th, your lordship, on this. So there's
We'll
still
not stay it anyway. Let him list the matter on 27th. Don't take coercive steps till then. Then 27th you have to withdraw it.
Please.
Yes. No, the respondent state shall not take coercive steps till then. ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್.
32.
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. We'll dismiss it later.
Please.
Yes.
32.
This is not for withdrawal. Earlier, a criminal petition I had withdrawn. Now I've challenged the charge sheet.
Earlier state.
Earlier state ಇಲ್ಲ, fresh matter ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. Subsequent ಆಗಿ charge sheet ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ I myself filed a memo with liberty, my lord, that petition was disposed of. Petitioner is the landlord, my lord. He issues termination notice. Tenant.
Meantime, yes. Please. Registry to delete the indication of the petition being moved for withdrawal. Yes. Next.
33.
Respondent is a habitual offender, my lord.
Habitual offender.
Yes, my lord.
Respondent habitual offender ನೀವಾ?
Respondent number 2. My lord, there are more than 20 cases pending against him. In that, my lord, one case is registered by the petitioner also, which is also under trial. Lord, he has forged the documents and my lord conveyed a sale deed with respect of third parties, for which we filed a complaint, and my lord, it is under stage of the trial, my lord. Now, my lord, all of a sudden, he has filed complaint against the petitioner. Lord, it is my ancestral property. The land has been granted
Our
to,
ancestral property.
my lord, my father has been granted with the property in the year 1979. Even, my lord, the RTC is now also standing, my lord, in the name of the petitioner. Number one hearing. Lord, he sold the property to petition number 2 and 3. Now, at this stage, he files a complaint, my lord, and before challenging that, my lord, we are before this honorable court. Lord, the earlier,
Get the records, madam.
but earlier round of litigation, he has challenged batch of matters, my lord, that was set aside by this honorable court. Honorable apex court, my lord, set aside all the matters, and my lord, now
Kudi,
court has-
Lakshman. ಚಾಕು
Yes.
ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಚಾಕು ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಜ್ಡ್ GPA and ಸೇಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ he used to sell the property. For that we filed complaint. That is under now trial.
Get the records.
I will.
List day after tomorrow in the fresh matters list.
Sought entry modern order.
Day after tomorrow.
Some
ಏನ್ ಬೇಲ್
protection.
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕೆ?
Some protection.
Don't take not to take coercive steps till day after tomorrow. Yes.
There's a review petition, my lord, regarding land acquisition. My lord,
ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಅಲೋ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಯಾರ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಕ್ವಿಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
possession ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ their own record says that.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸಿ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ದೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ವಾಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಐ ಗೆಸ್.
And my lord, because we were the parties, my lord, in the earlier round of litigation. There, my lord, this court said that, my lord, any land which has been converted.
No, I'm aware. I reserved will pass orders.
Your lordship, page number 22, your lordship.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಅವತ್ತು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ I said it has to be straight away allowed, because it is their case only that no possession is taken. If possession next adjacent land ಗೆ allow ಆಗಿದೆ.
My lord, I've given one more judgment, my lord, where
Here
same,
it is
my lord.
recorded that it has been acquired. In page number 22, your lordship, it is mentioned.
We'll see what can be done.
Lord, if it is acquired also, my lord, the earlier round of litigation, this court, my lord, which is confirmed by the division bench, said possession is taken also. The court said, my lord, wherever
So
the land has been.
BDA itself, possession is not taken in this case.
Allah, BDS possession is not taken. The court says wherever possession is taken also, my lord,
That is an added higher circumstance. Illi we are at the threshold still.
Yes.
Wizard, we'll see.
This may be recorded.
Of course, madam, I will.
Kindly, page number 22. your
But ಇದನ್ನ
lordship,
appeal ಆಗಿ set aside ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೋತಾನೆ.
Same, there
Same
was
question
since, my
before
lord.
it
ಅಲ್ಲ,
appeal and question ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅವ್ರು.
ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ.
Because no new grounds made out.
ನಮಗೆ
your
ಯಾಕೆ
lordship. Kindly,
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ?
if you see to the
And
judgment.
I have to give a link of the video then, in the order.
No, my lord, your
Error
lordships,
apparent on the face of the record.
your lordships have said, since possession has been taken, my lord, therefore, now, my lord, there are documents to show possession has
No,
not been taken.
I saw the video also.
And my lord, further, this court has, my lord, this is an earlier round of litigation where they say that, my lord, where possession is taken also, my lord, where converted land has to be left from acquisition.
ಅದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೋಬೋದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
And my lord, the same point, my lord, in same thing, this court, my lord, has taken that view.
ನಿಮ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಗೊತ್ತು ನನಗೆ.
Kindly.
The judgment in respect of same Banchankari.
Let's see. Yes. Whether I should do it or send it there.
If your
What
lordship
she says is right. Same grounds ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ review. Appeal ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ problem?
No new grounds made out, your lordship. Kindly, I'll.
Correct. These are error apparent. Appeal ಹಾಕಲೇಬಹುದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, error apparent ಇದ್ರೆ ತಾವೇ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
Sorry, error apparent ಅಲ್ಲ. It's contrary to what was there, found there.
My lord, your lordships have only said, since possession has been taken, my lord, we are not disputing that point of law. We are not saying that, my lord, that is wrong. What we are trying to say is, earlier round of litigation where I am the party, this honorable court has held, where converted land is there, BDI, my lord, will denotify it.
Not will.
Where?
Court directed that you can consider it. There is
And
no
my lord-
positive direction.
They have
If there
also
was a
filed
positive
writ appeal
direction,
that
they would
has
have
been
filed contempt.
withdrawn.
And my
Your
lord,
Lordship.
BDA.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ
ಅವರು
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು
once they have
contempt
already
ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ
filed
earlier.
a writ appeal
ರಿಟ್
that
ಅಪೀಲ್
has been
ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ
ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, they have withdrawn.
Withdrawn.
ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ
Alala,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
I'm
ಅಲ್ಲ,
sorry, my lord, not in this.
Very
Earlier round
long
of-
back, very long back, they have filed the writ appeal.
My lord, what
that
had
has
happened
been-
was after the writ petition was filed, we filed a writ appeal. When writ appeal was pending,
ರಿಟ್ ಅಪೀಲ್
They say that BDA issued
my lord, when
endorsement.
writ appeal was
denotified on-
pending, they passed the BDA passed a resolution saying that we'll withdraw it. The government, my lord, rejects it. My lord, same, my lord, facts where the government rejected it. It was challenged before this court. This court said that, my lord, since there is already an order passed by the earlier court, we cannot pass any order contrary to the earlier court's order.
We'll see.
Same contention may be taken up in writ appeal also, Your Lordship.
My lord, that is my priority, my lord. I will, my lord. I don't need
ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ
it.
ನಿಮ್ದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್
Alala,
ನಮ್ದು.
Now, if I'm able to satisfy this court that it
23
is.
matter, Your Lordship, it is. After 4 years, review has been filed.
ನೋ ಆರ್ಡರ್
No, no,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು
no.
ಯಾವಾಗ? ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮೇಡಮ್
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
25 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರೋ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
My lord, one more contention was, my lord, now, my lord, out of 6 acres, only 3 acre chain, my lord, was acquired. They give a, my lord, endorsement saying that this land is not acquired at all. There is a dispute, my lord, whether land has been acquired or not also.
We'll see. Yes.
Objections may be recorded.
Everything will be there.
Much obliged.
Yes.
My lord, the endorsement issued by the BDA saying this land does not come under the acquisition itself.
ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
If they want to contempt, my lords, it is not part of the acquisition. The writ petition has to be dismissed because they are seeking for denotification.
Then they let them file an affidavit
Let
saying
them
whether
first take a stand
that
whether
is-
they want
that
to
is their
contend
stand, my
that
lord.
it
It
is
is not
part
my
of the
endorsement.
acquisition notification or not.
The BDA has to tell whether this
They
is the
say
land
that
which comes.
according to them, it is not notified for
Sorry.
acquisition.
My lord, BDA has to take a stand whether this land has been acquired or not first. My lord, the endorsement is issued by the BDA which I am producing before your lordships.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲರ್ನೆಡ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಜಡ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು.
8 guntas of land, my lord, I do not.
ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ಗೂ ಬರಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಮಯೂರ್.
35.
Appearing to the petitioner, my lords. But apologies for appearing on VC, my lords.
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
My lords, this is that matter of the advocate's family members being assaulted, my lords.
ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ಕ?
No, my lords, my lords.
ಹಾ.
My lord, this is the matter, my lords, whereon, if I may just take your lordships to the facts of the case, my lords. On 10/4/2022, my lords. My lord, the family members of the petitioners, my lords, the petitioner number 1, 2, 3 and 4, my lords. Sorry, petitioner numbers 1 to 3 are assaulted by the respondent number 2 and their family members brutally, my lords. Not to such an extent that there are injuries found on the.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ.
My lord, we have gone and registered the complaint on 10/4 itself, my lords. FIR comes to be registered for the offences under 307, 324, 326, 504, 506.
ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Yes, my lord. 3 days later, my lords, they go and file a complaint. The wound certificate, my lords. Tenderness. That is the wound certificate, my lords. Lord, if your lordships gets page number, my lords, that is a wound certificate of the respondent number 2.
ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್
140, my lords. 140.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ.
When is it served? Served. Lord, it is served on 29/3/2026. my lords.
The petitioners accused 1 to 4, all family
Lord,
members are.
Yes, my lords. Accused number 1 is no more, my lords. He's passed away. Yesterday, I filed the death certificate before your lordships.
Accused number 2 to 4 are before the court calling in question proceedings in crime number ಏನಿದು crime number 2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
Lord, yes, my lords. Lord, this is crime number 63, my lords.
SC 105 of 20 ಅದಾ?
Yes, my lords.
SC 105 of 20 SC ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
My lord, so they connect these matters, my lords. 307 case is being conducted before the Sessions Court. So they send the case from the Magistrate Court to the Sessions Court. This was CC number 8970, but then later it's committed saying it's a case and counter case and they send it to
Proceedings
Sessions.
in SC 105 of 2024 registered for offences punishable under so and so. facts in brief, heard so and so facts in brief, Germain, are as follows. On 10/4/2022, the family members of the second respondent have allegedly assault the petitioner number 1 with wooden logs, causing severe injury on the head and other parts of the body. The second petitioner was also assaulted, who suffered from fracture and was an inpatient at the hospital. The fourth petitioner, aggrieved by the said act, registers a complaint before the Hulur Durga police, which becomes a crime in crime number 62 of 2022, which comes to be registered on 11/4/2022 for offences punishable under section 307, 324, 427 and 506 of the IPC, read with 114. After a lapse of 3 days on the same incident, the complainant registers the complaint against the petitioner for offences punishable under section 323, 324, 504 and 506 of the IPC. The police conduct investigation in the complaint against the petitioner and file a charge sheet. Adu charge sheet aita?
Yes, Manoj. Yes,
And,
Manoj.
and a charge sheet in the crime registered by the petitioners even. The case then is committed to the Court of Session. The continuance of the proceedings against the petitioner in SC 105 of 2024 for offences punishable under section 324, 323, 504, 506 is what has driven the petitioner to this court in the subject petition. The learned counsel Mayur D. Banu, appearing for the petitioner, would vehemently contend that the petitioners are in fact who are injured and have suffered grave assault from the hands of the complainant and have registered the crime immediately thereafter. 3 days later, a story is cooked up again that the complainant is also assaulted by the petitioners and a complaint comes to be registered. The police investigate the two, file charge sheet in both the cases. The concerned court has committed the complaint registered by the petitioners against the complainant to the Court of Session, as the offence was one punishable under section 307 of the IPC. Insofar as the present petitioner is concerned, a present crime is concerned, it is tagged on to the said matter and now is before the Court of Session. The learned counsel submits that the learned counsel submits that permitting further proceedings would become an abuse of the process of the law and result in miscarriage of justice. The learned HCGP would contend that issue is case and a counter case. Therefore, this court must not interfere at this stage of the proceedings and permit the trial to move to its logical conclusion. She would seek dismissal of the petition. The complainant, though served, has remained unrepresented. In that light, the petitioner and the respondent are heard. The aforenarrated facts. An incident that happens on 10/4/2022 results in two crimes, but not immediately. One, registered by the petitioner for offence punishable under section 307 of the IPC, happens on the very next day, i.e. 11/4/2022. Later, after about 3 days of the incident, the subject crime comes to be registered against these petitioners for offences punishable under section 323, 324, 504 and 506 of the IPC. The subject petition concerns the said crime, which is now pending as SC 105 of 2024. The complaint so registered against the petitioners reads as follows. Which page is that?
Against the petitioners, Manoj, is page number 45, Manoj.
Page 45. The police conduct investigation and file a charge sheet for the aforesaid offences. The summary of the charge sheet as obtaining in column number 17 reads as follows, page 137. In juxtaposition, the complaint registered by the petitioners against the complainant is necessary to be noticed. Adelida.
Page number 33, Manoj.
33. And the charge sheet so filed by the police in the said case is as follows, page 83. If the two are read in tandem, what would unmistakably emerge is the story twined about the assault on the complainants by the petitioners. A wound certificate is also appended to the petition of the respondents. The wound certificate is as follows. There is no external injury caused even in terms of the wound certificate. What is seen is only tenderness over the shoulder, while the wound against the petitioners are of grievous hurt. In
Case
that
number
light,
87 for 90 minutes.
the wound against the petitioners are as follows. Grievous hurt and note
Case number 87 and page number 90 minutes.
87. Page 87 and 90 alla?
Yes, madam.
90. 90. Therefore, if the complaint versus complaint, summary versus summary, wound certificate versus wound certificate is examined, what would emerge is the frivolousness of the allegations against these petitioners while the allegations being found against the complainant. In that light, if further proceedings are permitted to continue in the case at hand, it would become an abuse of the process of the law and result in miscarriage of justice. Allowed quashed. Next.
Keep your obliged, madam.
For petitioner in this case, my lords. ED had to file the statement of objections.
Anuparna.
My lords, in this case, my lords had sought a clarification from me as to why we have attached the landowners.
Correct. Sorry, sir. One minute. Is it case number 1 now? During the subsistence of the previous matter, during the subsistence of the proceedings, case number 1 is no more. Therefore, the petition who remain in the phrase are case number 2 to 4. ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ
Obliged.
Sorry, ma'am.
This matter, connected matter, provisional attachment order was challenged, which my lords have, it was dismissed as withdrawn after arguing because predicate offense. My lords recollect that the developer, because of the settlement going on, the petitioners were taking time.
Oh, yes, yes.
My lords. Now, my lords, what we have done is we have attached certain lands which are earmarked for under the development agreement, earmarked in favor of landowners. My lords had asked me a question why we attached the shares of the landowner, my lords.
Correct.
My lords, these properties.
Objections ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಾ?
ಇನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ.
My lords, have it, my lords, they come.
25th, 26th or 27th.
25th, my lords.
25th.
Please, my lords, one clarification that the interim order says not to confirm the.
Not to finalize proceedings without.
Qua petitioner if it is mentioned.
Correct, yes. This court on 5/8/2026 had passed the following order. The learned counsel Anuparna would seek a week's time to file statement of objections. List on 27th. The order is, it is needless to observe that the order dated 5/8/2026 is restricted only to the petitioner.
That's fresh matter.
Fresh matter. Yes. Next.
Your Lordship, 37 and 37.1.
Enzo.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm in fact led by Mr. Puvaya.
Objections ready?
These minutes.
I've been served today a copy. Could I request this be taken up on 27th or 28th?
27th.
27th. I'm obliged.
Yes, I'll be filing my objections.
The learned counsel Madhu and Rao files a statement of objections. Same is taken on record. List the matter on 27th.
I'm obliged.
The fresh matters list. Yes.
38. And it's we're filing our
38.
this matter. ASG is up. SB Raju sir is appearing. He's on his legs. May kindly.
Objections are filed?
Not yet, my lords. We'll file it today.
Today?
File it today.
Then we'll take it tomorrow. If serve a copy, let him go through it.
Please, my lords,
Yes.
my lords, may kindly pass over it.
You seek instructions and come if tomorrow is all right. Otherwise, I'll take it later. You serve a copy now.
Please,
Yes. The pass over, I'll pass it over.
please.
Copy serve madre.
Please. They have furnished the reasons to believe to us.
Reasons to believe?
Reasons to believe, my lords, under 17.
Oh, all right. Yes, yes.
That's to the client they have furnished. So we have made a memo, but if they
All
can.
right, whatever. They will give you the objections.
There's one more thing that I wanted to just bring to your lordship's attention.
Yes, sir.
The lordships passed the order on 15th of July not to undertake any precipitative steps. They've gone ahead and filed the original application for confirmation of this particular search proceeding before the adjudicating authority. It's a little peculiar that despite your lordship's order, in my humble submission, it ought
All
not
right,
to have.
we'll see about that, sir.
Please.
When the matter is recalled.
As your lordship.
Yes. Password.
My request for 230, my lord.
230 or beyond 230, gottilla. Yes. Yes. Settlement council underway.
Settlement talks.
Talks underway.
Lords, a
Senate
week's
council
time,
for the
lords.
petty parties would submit that talks of settlement between the parties are still afoot, AFOT. In that light, list this matter on 27th. Oh, very good, sir. Yes.
Please.
List the matter in the second week of September.
Great.
40.
Second time.
Process
On
is
taking
already-
of fresh process.
We've already paid the process, my lord.
Fresh process.
Please,
What's the
my
matter?
No, this is that matter. If your lordships will recall that FDA, my lord, he uploaded his photo on WhatsApp and sections 675 and 78 were
him.
invoked. Please, my lord.
Ah.
My lord, the only urgency is this, my lord, that I'm on probation right now. And
You're in which department?
I'm working as an FDA in the Karnataka State Police Complaints Authority.
Police Complaints Authority,
Please, my lord.
correct. Steps ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Please, my lord.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that steps have been taken to serve the counsel for the respondent. Take out hand summons also.
Please, my lord.
The petitioner is at liberty to serve the respondent complaint by way of hand summons apart from taking steps. List the matter on 27th.
Great.
Yes. No fresh matters list. Next.
Interim order.
Intermodal continue. Yes, yes.
Orders 41.
Sufficiency of service. Serve ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ madam? The postal shara indicates and the police report indicates that the respondent is served through his personal assistant. Therefore, the respondent be shown and the cause list as served.
42.
For the respondent number 2, my
Vacating stay.
I am for the petitioner. Kindly pray for time, my lord.
No grants time.
Senior
What's the
Sangeet
matter?
another court, my lord.
ಹೇಳಿ sir. 31 R&S ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರ್ಲೇಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ವ್ಯೂವಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ? ಯಾವ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ವ್ಯೂಸ್? ಅಂಗಡಿ ಮುಂದ? ಯಾರ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಸರ್? ವೆಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಶಾಪ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾರಣ? ಮೈಕ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರಮೇಶ್ ಅನ್ನೋರು ಮೇಲಾಡ್ ಒಂದು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಅನ್ನೋರು ಒಬ್ರು ಓನರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಅಂಗಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ರೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಂತರ 31/12/2014 ಸೇಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಮೈಲಾಡ್. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಅನ್ನೋರು ರಮೇಶ್ ಅನ್ನೋರಿಗೆ 15 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸೇಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಅನ್ನೋರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕರು ಕೇಸ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕೇಸ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಆದ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮೈಲಾಡ್. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 20/8/2000
ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮೈಲಾಡ್.
ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. 20/8/2024 ತಾರೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಅನ್ನೋರು ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 194ಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಆತರ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ನಾವು 21/8/2024 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಓನರು ಸೂಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಇವರು ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 194 ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಬಂದು ವೆಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಖಾಲಿ ಅಂತ ಜಾಗನ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗ ಇವರು ರಮೇಶ್ ಅನ್ನೋರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮುಂದಾದಾಗ ಇವರು ತಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಅವರು. ಆಗ ಅವರು ಜಾತಿ ನಿಂದನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎದೆಗೆ, ಮರ್ಮಾಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಒದ್ದು.
ಈಗ ಸೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸೂಟ್ ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾತಿ ನಿಂದನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಪಾಡ್ಗೆ
ಅದ್ರ ಪಾಡ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
The expert injection was granted already.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅವರು?
ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಲೆ
ಇವ್ರ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ
ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಟೆನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರು ಎವಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ?
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು.
ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೋಣ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಾಕೆ? ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಷರಿ ಏನಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಅಟ್ರಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲೆ. ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 123 ಮೇಲೆ
29th ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವತ್ತು ಮಾಡ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 29th ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್. Memo for withdrawal
43
in terms of memo for withdrawal for retirement, sorry, the Learned Council Srinath Abhi ಇದು ಯಾವುದು? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಅವತ್ತಿಂದು ಅದೇನಾ?
Two matters.
ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Is counter case last occasion is counter.
ಗೊತ್ತು. Yes. Registered to delete the name of Kalyan R as appearing for the petitioner. Memo for retirement will haki. We'll hear this on 27th.
Please, publish.
ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್? ಏನು
ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅವತ್ತೇ ಮಾಡು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. 27th.
Interim order is there.
Interim order ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
45
That's for the petitioner, my lords. 498A matter, my lords. There is a grave abuse of process of law in this
grave
matter.
abuse of process.
Yes, my lords. My lords, she was married in the year 2023 and lodges a complaint in the year 25, November 25, my lords.
Okay.
On my refusal to pay 30 lakhs as permanent alimony, my lords. Kindly peruse page 41 of the main petition, my lords.
Copy was not. A copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
Copy
Sir, ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. By post and also by court notice. See. Respondent number 2.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
For respondent number 2, it is served.
27th.
Please.
Yes.
Let's still then stay off further proceedings in the charge sheet.
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Further investigation ಅಂತ ಇರೋದು.
ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಬೇಕು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಫರ್ದರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
Against all the petitioners, my lords.
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ.
Please, my lords. He has been falsely implicated.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
No
First
allegations against
husband,
him. Yes, my lords.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
No, ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. See, he has been falsely implicated.
27ಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಗಿಸುವ
ಮೇಡಂ. Only yes, my lords.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
27.
46,
in terms of?
47,
Appearing for the petitioner.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I filed the memo of withdrawal.
No, sir, I won't permit. Ordered, sir. Yes, next.
47,
Lord, my humble submission.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು
Actually,
sir?
actually they have filed the charge sheet.
ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಮೆಮೋಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ? In terms of memo withdrawn, sir. Yes.
47,
For petitioners.
Awaiting interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, my lords.
2 week post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent. No date. Yes, next.
48,
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ? Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent. ನಂದೇ order.
ಈ ಡೇಟ್
Immediately after service of notice upon the respondent. Next.
49, same lord.
Post immediately.
Interim order.
Learned Counsel Sandesh
In this matter, I
undertakes to enter appearance for the
respond number 2, my lord.
respondent number 2, register to print the name of so and so.
One submission, my lord. Petition number 213, the student, my lord. They are student, they are
I
nothing
will
to do.
file objection, my lords. They have received more than 150 crores.
No, no, my lord.
150
No,
crores, sir.
Kindly put the complaint, my lord. Only 11 lakhs.
Not in this
Parana.
complaint. Only these complaint, my lords, 48 lakhs they have mentioned. There
No, no,
are,
only 11 lakhs, my lord. Kindly put the complaint.
I will file detailed objection. There are photographs and videographs, my
My
lords. I
lord,
will place
that is
Okay.
allegation accused number 1, my lord. He is petition number 213, student, my
Sir,
lord.
ನಂದೇ ನಾನೇ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
They are school going student, my lord.
ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್.
They are
ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರು?
My lords,
213.
my lords, accused number 1 is the lecturer.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್.
Petition number 213, my lord. 21 years and 22 years.
ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸರ್? 21
ಕಾಲೇಜ್
ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ? ಕಾಲೇಜ್.
ಅಪ್ಪ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಫ್ಐಆರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದ್ ಏನಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ ಸರ್.
They are the
ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಸಾರಿ
ಕಾಲೇಜ್.
21 to in respect of accused number
ಅವ್ನು 21 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್
petition number 213 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮತ್ತೇನು. 213.
ನೋ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್.
One date we fix. One date.
27th, list on 27th, objections if any by then.
28.
28th. Yes.
Fresh matter.
Huh?
Fresh matter.
Fresh matters, yes.
Bill number 50,
Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent.
in this case.
51.
Last hearing date ಅಲ್ಲಿ notice ಅಂತ ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. notice ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
ಹ್ಮ್.
In meantime, charge sheet has been filed, my lords.
ಓ,
So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ amendment
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ನಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಕೊಟ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್, my lords. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಅಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಮೆಂಡ್
ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಎಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಿಂತ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ. Service of notice.
51,
Same accused, 3 crimes are registered. Your lordships at
ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮೂರನೇದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ.
ಯಾವ್ದದು? ನೋಟಿಸ್ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
Same accused persons.
ಬೇರೆದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ?
We have just now passed on.
Offense ಏನು?
Civil suit is filed.
Offense is civil suit is filed.
Yes, civil suit is filed.
Offense is civil suit is filed.
Lord, civil suit is filed. Later on, this complaint has been lodged for forgery under a GPA. My sale date is 2022.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಎರಡು ಯಾವುದು ಸರ್?
Memo, along with memo, yes.
ನಂದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
ಹೌದು.
Tag along with so and so. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
Obliged.
You appear to be notorious then. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು.
Yes.
Some sale date 2022.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Obliged.
52,
ಸದಾನಂದ್.
Madam Counsel, with the petitioner, the needful is done and process fee has been paid.
Learned counsel submits needful has been done, office to verify.
53,
I have a memo state for the office copy.
What?
Have the process number copy.
Registry. Where is the file? Without the file, you can't come. Yes. Next time, don't come.
53,
Please.
Post immediately after service of notice upon.
Interim order, my lord.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಂದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನೋಟಿಸ್?
Please,
yes.
my lord, last time lordship stated that next hearing date it will be
Will
considered.
grant it ಅಂತ. ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent.
Other date, my lord.
ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ಲಿ immediately. Yes.
In this month, any one date, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ, immediately after service of notice.
By that time, my lord, September comes.
ಯಾಕೆ September is not a good month?
Please.
Come September.
Otherwise, my lord, interim protection till appearance.
No,
Please,
no.
anyone, my lord, please.
Police jurisdiction illa, sir. Yes.
My lord, in this month, any date, my lord, please. Please.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅದು post immediately after service of notice.
ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಬರಬಹುದೇನೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು one date.
28.
Please.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
Appearing for petitioner.
Office objections.
Matter settled between the parties. my lord.
Where?
In trial court, they filed joint memo.
Offense.
316, 318, 61.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Joint memo, they have filed.
ಅದೇ ಆ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ?
Trial court ಅಲ್ಲಿ file
After
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
17th.
After 17th, they have fixed the date to payment of 17th.
So what should I do now?
After 17th, any date.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. After 17 September.
September.
Oh, list the matter after 4 weeks. You move after settlement is over. Yes, next.
For petitioners, only office objection is production of order sheet of the trial.
Overruled. Next.
But petitioners are husband and wife. Complainant is the brother's wife. My lord's incident is on 21/9/2025.
Monday ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ?
It's simple.
Simple matter.
Complaint is lodged after lapse of 6 days, my lords. I
So
have
what,
lodged the
6 days
complaint-
ಆದ್ರೆ?
I have lodged the complaint on the same day. Charge sheet.
126 2 ನಾ?
Let's no own certificate. Eyewitness sworn on affidavit. Statement
Next.
at all.
Next.
Great.
ಇದು ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹರೀಶ್. That non-reporting.
38 enact proceedings, my lordship.
ಏನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು?
91
ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನು?
complete ಆಗಿದೆ
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಏನು?
as 91 application filed by the accused. To summons the ITR
ಸ್ಟೇ
proceedings.
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
My lord.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ?
It is
ಇದೆಯಾ?
that
Ah,
page
ಇದೆ.
number
Yes.
34.
Petitioner to serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings and file an acknowledgement of such service. List the matter on 28th. Further proceedings before the concerned court shall remain stayed till the next date.
Interim order.
ಅದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀಗ. Yes.
College mates.
College mates.
PT Act, my lords.
Oh, first one. Yes. ಅದೇನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು?
Serial number 30, my lords.
The petitioner is common in both the cases. The complainant first institutes proceedings under for the offences punishable under section 66E, 67, 67A and 354B of the and 67A of the Information Technology Act and section 354B of the IPC. The fulcrum of the complaint the fulcrum of the complaint was that the petitioner and the complainant were college mates and were in a relationship. When it broke, the allegation comes that the petitioner has threatened the complainant with uploading the videos and or the photographs of the complainant. The crime is investigated into and a charge sheet is filed by the police for the aforesaid offences. The learned counsel submits that the photographs, as could be gathered from the documents appended to the petition, were not uploaded by the petitioner by the complainant herself in her Instagram account. Therefore, till the appearance of the complainant, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings qua the petitioner. The complainant does not stop at that. The petitioner, after registration of the subject petition, secures anticipatory bail, a subject crime. The moment anticipatory bail is secured, comes the second crime. Now, Atrocities Act.
Yes.
Now,
And allegation of rape
the-
also. Allegation of rape also.
now comes the second crime, alleging offense punishable under section 376 of the IPC, along with the offenses under the Atrocities Act.
Lords, 323, 504, 506.
ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೈಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಇಂಟರ್ ಏಲಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. And the learned counsel submits that if the offense of rape was offense of rape had to be alleged, nothing stopped the complainant to register the said complaint or the offense of rape at the time when the complainant was registering a crime for offense punishable under section 66, 67, 67A of the Information Technology Act. As contended by the learned counsel for the petitioner, it is by the petitioner, it appears correct that the complainant has now sought to register a crime for the offense of rape and the Atrocities Act as an afterthought only on the score that the petitioner has secured bail in crime number 137 of 2026. 137 another?
162.
162 of 2026. In that light.
23 minutes.
Huh?
2023.
2023. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings in the subject petition as well till the next date of hearing.
CST Act ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 accused people, entire family in ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The ಒಂದು line ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The learned, the complainant does not stop at alleging the offense of rape against the Rape and Atrocities Act against the accused number 1, but draws every member of the family into the dragnet of crime, qua the offenses, qua other offenses except the offense under 376. On all these circumstances, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings qua the petitioner till the next date of hearing.
Grateful.
ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಯಾರು? ಹರ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹರ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮಿಂಗ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಪೆಂಟ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ. 30 ಆಲ್ಸೋ 30 and ಇದು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಸೇಮ್. ನಿಮ್ದೇನು ಸರ್?
59 minutes.
59.
Needful is done, my lords. But
Needful is done.
the lordships had heard this matter, my lords. 304.
Ah.
Lords, 304A is the allegation, but charge sheet has been filed for 304. Lords, I was only asked to, my lords, manage the swimming pool, my lords. All lifeguards, my lords, and
ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ.
lords, in this matter, my lords, in the consumer court, they had filed, my lords,
ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ನೀವೇನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್?
Adil, there has been a final order against me to pay the compensation. Lords, I will comply with those.
ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು.
Stay your lordships have granted, my lords.
ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ. Recently it has been passed, my lords.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಎನಿವೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆನ್ 25th. Yes, next. In the fresh matters list. Fresh matters.
Interim order earlier granted.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing.
60.
Rectification of office objections.
ECIR registered pursuant to 7 predicate offences.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ?
All 7 are now quashed.
All 7 quashed.
All 7 FIRs are quashed.
You have been successful, sir.
I was not an accused there.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
I was added as an accused only by ED. This is that Aishwarya Gowda case.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Tuesday.
Petitioner to serve on the council. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧುವನ್ ರಾವ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕೊಲೆಗೆ ಯಾರಿದಲ್ಲ. Whoever it is, serve on any council.
Please.
Yes, list the matter on 25th in the fresh matters list. Then rectification of office objections overruled. Yes, next. ವಕಾಲತ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ವಕಾಲತ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
The other side, not us.
Other side. Yes, so
ED has appeared.
Appeared already.
Yes.
Yes, next. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಯಾರು.
25th.
61, 25th. ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. 1 minute, ಸಂದೀಪ್. Oh, registry to delete the name of, delete ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? Print the name of Anuparna Bardoli is appearing for the Respondent Enforcement Directorate.
61.
Lord, on 25th, adjudicating authorities appellate case is also listed on 25th.
ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೆ
So,
objections ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ನೇಮ್ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ದಾರೆ they would have been here. Generally they are not absent.
Petition amendment.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent.
Interim order.
That will continue. Yes. Tahir.
Lordship, connected matter is on 17th September, Lordship. Here is
Tag along with so and so. List on 17th September.
My colleague will give the number, Lordship.
All right. Yes.
63.
My lords, 27B.
27?
27B of.
NDPS.
NDPS.
Wait, Leonard,
Speaker.
wait, sir. Leonard, HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondents. The list the matter on 28th. ಅದು covered ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ.
Squarely covered.
Whatever square letters. Yes. Next.
Admission 64.
Muthoot, 2 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕಿ. Yes, next. ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಸೋಣ, ಇಲ್ದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
65.
And for the petitioner, my lord.
Enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
1 week time.
Enter ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ. 2 weeks. Just after 2 weeks.
66.
Same. Yes.
Alleged offense is 306, your lordships. Petition is a lady, your lordships.
So
this is a husband, your lordships. There is delay in lodging of complaint, your lordships. Is there a delay of 2 years, 2 months, your lordships?
Delay ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ 306 ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Moreover, your lordship, it is a disease who himself has poured the kerosene, petrol.
Poured kerosene.
Poured kerosene, petrol, your lordships.
Petrol.
Yes, your lordships.
ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ?
He himself has poured the.
ಅವರೇ ಸುಟ್.
Yes, allegation.
ಅದು ಅಬೆಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೂಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದು, ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. He himself has poured ಅಂದ್ರೆ. Correct.
It is clear in page 19, your lordships. It is a property dispute going on between the in-laws, your lordship. Hence they have framed this petitioner, your lordship.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
No,
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. 2023. Why? Get the records, we'll see.
One submission, lordship. What happened in this case is, lordship, they have filed for a polygraph test, your lordship.
You know?
They have filed for a polygraph test.
Polygraph test.
That same has been stayed before the third additional Anekal court, your lordship.
Anyway, get the records. What is the offense? Yes. Kerosene ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ petrol.
Petrol, your lordship. Husband has himself has poured the.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ you are the wife?
Yes, your lordship.
ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಾಟ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
I am having a kid, your lordship. So yes.
If you have a kid, ಕಾಟ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Like he was having an affair ಅಂತ.
ಓ ಹಂಗೆ.
Meantime, your lordship.
All right. Meantime, 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ meantime ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Yes. Get the records. The learned HCGP secure the records and seek instructions as to why the final report is yet to be filed, despite in a case of the offense punishable under section 306 of the IPC, despite passage of 3 years. Yes. Rest on 28th.
67.
ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್.
ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? offense ಏನು?
Offense
420.
ಅದು ತಾಯಿ ಮಗನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ?
ಅದು ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಆಗಿಲ್ವಂತ?
ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು, then we'll take it on 25th. 25th to report settlement, if any. Yes. Next.
68.
I'm appearing to the petitioner, your lordship. I seek a small accommodation.
Small accommodation?
Short accommodation. Apologies.
When do you want?
Senior is not available, your lordship.
When do you want? Why you have not read the file? Yes, what's the matter?
Your lordship, complaint in the case and counter case, your lordship. So there has been allegations of
ಇದು atrocities act.
Yes, your lordship.
ಲಂಚ್ ಅವರ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes, pass over. Yes, next.
69.
Appearing for petitioner, my lord. Nagama is accused number 3.
Who is Nagama?
Sister-in-law of the complainant.
Who is sister-in-law? You should refer as petitioner, respondent, accused. Nagama anbitre court ge gottagutte.
Out of this FIR rising FIR number 54 2022, there are 7 accused are there.
Nagama is the petitioner.
Yeah, Nagama is yes.
Okay. Yes.
So the accused number 3 is Nagama, sister in where actually it's a very typical domestic violence and dowry harassment fake and frivolous case, my lord. So
amale
in this regard, actually I just would like to bring to kind notice of this honorable court is 4, 5, 6 have got already stay order. And accused number 3, what, Nagama?
You want stay order.
Stay order now.
Which is that petition? 456 stay order. Petitioner name already. Don't tell petitioner's name.
Actually, on behalf of my learned counsel, I'm appearing for this case.
Correct,
and-
madam. Where is that stay order?
Stay order.
In which petition is that stay order?
That is quite in other petition.
Correct. Which is, there should be a number for that petition.
Yes, my lord,
Which is
that
that
document
number?
actually I have not received since I got call now.
You got call now?
To appear
You
before this.
wapas call Madi. You call them back and ask what is the number. I will pass
Sure.
it over.
Kindly.
All right, then I will grant.
Much obliged.
70.
Lord, I appear for the petitioner. The learned trial court, my lord, 379 offense
ಅದು
discharges
ನಿಮ್
me.
ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೇನ್ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
Please, 379, my lord, the learned trial court would discharge me.
ಓ 376 ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
379.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ನೀವು ಥೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ದು ರೇಪ್ ತರ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರಿವಿಷನಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ my lord sets aside that order. My lord, the investigation
Absolutely
before registration of
inaudible, sir.
FIR.
Yes.
I'm sorry, my lord.
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೈಕ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಾ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
21.
The case of a counter case and a counter case
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
regarding a passage dispute of 7 feet in width.
7 feet.
In width 100 feet.
Ah.
There are 3 houses on either side of the passage
Hmm.
for them to use it. This respondent.
I think to resolve the dispute of this 7 feet, you need to have lunch. We'll take it post lunch. Yes.